Good morning, team. Welcome to Traedz TV, where we discuss all stock-related content and much more. Kato, I see you in the building. Coldplay, I see y'all in the building, man. Thanks so much for joining me. Y'all already know what time it is. It's Friday. Y'all already know how we tend to take care of our tradings on Fridays. We trade from the beginning of the market all the way to the 12 o'clock. What's up, Tariq? What's up, boss? You already know how we do. So you already know I stay half a day on Fridays because you know the volume starts to change up, and I don't want anybody risking their gains, their profits that they're already then accumulated from Monday through Thursday, and I don't want y'all throwing it away on a Friday. So definitely take Fridays very seriously. Get the best trades that you can at the beginning of the market, and go ahead and shut it down and go enjoy your weekend. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into our conference room, and we're gonna get ready to rock and roll, guys. Let's go. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and do what we do best. Let's go over the SPY recaps, guys, as usual. Thursday yesterday we had an opening of 579.98. We had a high of 580.06. We had a low of 576.57. We had a close of 579.24 with a volume of 35 million. Let's go ahead and go into the earnings, guys. Other than that, let's see. Earnings, again, we're going to be nothing really major right now today. But we do expect, guys, we will be having some earnings coming up next week. Major companies, blue chip companies that help make SPY move. Let's go into that real quick, guys. We do have Google that will be coming out on the 29th. That'll be Tuesday. The following day, we will be having Meta, Microsoft, and SMCI. That'll be after the market close, of course. That'll be the 30th. Thursday, we're going to be having Apple and Amazon. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, guys, we're going to be having some earnings coming out on some major companies to be looking forward to. And NVIDIA won't be until November 20th. Let's go ahead and take a dive into the economics, guys. We already had the durable goods orders that came out, which was at 8:30. So forth, and I'm gonna double check the economic calendars today just to see if they had added anything, but I'm gonna double check that just to make sure. And you already know, guys, for the small account challenge, which is still up, set for Monday, November 4th. So we got a week out to get prepared. As far as the rules, all P&Ls must be presented. All stocks, ETFs are acceptable. Cash and mortgage accounts are acceptable. And no participants will be eliminated until $25,000 has been reached. Other than that, guys, let's go ahead and get ready to rock and roll on our charts. And like I said, today is Friday. Do the very best you can at the beginning of the market because you know the volume starts to shift after at lunchtime. So let's go get ready to rock and roll, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, we're here, man. Again, thank you so much for joining me, guys. Like I said, hope everybody have a great Friday too, man. Like I said, the money that you did accumulate from Monday through Thursday, guys, do not give it all up on one day. Do not one day destroy everything that you worked hard for. Please do not do that, guys. Right now, we're definitely taking a look at SPY. SPY, we're still pushing up. I do have the 582. I do have an alert at 582. 581.75, which we are hitting. Up to the 582 mark. So we did get that nice little pullback, guys. We did hold up on that. You remember I was telling you guys what price point to look out for yesterday, which was 578.91. We did hold up on that 578.91 and started to push our way right back on up. So definitely keep your eyes peeled, guys, as we do push higher and higher towards that 582 level. So definitely keep your eyes peeled. We break that 582 level. Look for 582.50 up to this 583 range. Right now, as far as today for me, guys, due to the fact that we did have that nice little move on Tesla, nine times out of 10, I'm gonna possibly be looking at Tesla. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on that, but I'm also gonna be watching SPY, guys, to help you guys out if y'all need help with anything. So I'm gonna definitely be watching SPY to help you guys out if y'all need help with anything, so we can figure out the pivot point for today, and we're gonna keep it rocking and rolling. But it does look like the pivot point today, as long as we hold above that level, we'll be around at 580.83. Because you can see right here. For example, you leave from it, you return to it. You can see right here. Once we got that pullback, where did we return to? Around at 580.83. So I'm gonna definitely keep my eyes peeled to see where we go from here, because that could be our pivot point for today to 580.83. So keep your eyes peeled on that. So we're definitely gonna keep it rocking and rolling, guys. Keep it rocking and rolling. Keep it rocking and rolling. I'm definitely gonna keep my eyes peeled on Tesla, guys. I've been looking at Tesla since last night, just trying to figure out these highs, these price points, where we could see a good little bit of resistance for a little pullback down. So I haven't jumped in yet, but I'm just watching the setups on Tesla to see if I can set myself up for a put where I can hold for within a week. So I definitely want to just keep my eyes peeled on Tesla as we do continuously move on up. We did get this first resistance area around this 260 level. Up to close up to 262. So I'm gonna definitely keep my eyes peeled around these levels as we do push right back on up. Keep my eyes peeled on that to see where we go from here. So I will be having my eyes peeled on that, guys. So like I said, just to see if we're gonna go right back up towards those areas and retest it again. So I just want to really see on how strong those levels gonna hold as of now. So we did get rejected around that we had a high 562.12. But then came right back underneath, close around that 560-40-ish level. So I want to see once we do push back up towards this area to see if that's going to hold up as resistance once again. So I just want to sit on my hands and kind of just kind of evaluate it to see if that area is going to hold for a possible pullback once again in that same low key area. So I'm going to keep my eyes peeled on that. We do have about 6 minutes, guys, until the market, to the bell rings. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on it, see where we go. So I am getting my contracts ready. I do have my contract set for November 1st on Tesla. So I'm just keeping my eyes peeled to see how much further can we keep pushing until we get overbought in a territory where bears are not allowing the buyers to cross, where we can see a pullback once again. We got our pullback towards after hours on Tesla right here, right around at almost around that 260-40ish level. So I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled on that to see where we go from here. But either that or we're gonna start to fade almost like in a downtrend like setup. So I'm gonna definitely keep my eyes peeled, and I do have my contract set for Tesla, set for November 1st. So I'm definitely want to keep my eyes peeled on that. So I will be looking out for a Tesla versus SPY. So I'm gonna just let you guys know that on what my game plan is. So I'm gonna definitely keep my eyes peeled on that to see where we go from there. But other than that, guys, like I said, just make sure you have your trading plan set in motion, guys, and we're gonna keep it rocking and rolling from there. So like I said, just do not throw back the money that you worked your butt off for Monday through Thursday for this one day. Do not do that. If you don't see an opportunity, a trading opportunity, don't take it. Sit on your hands, wait for the opportunity to present itself. So other than that, guys, we're going to just, like I said, we're just going to keep everything on lock, keep everything on watch. Let me double check the economic calendar just to make sure they didn't add anything extra on there. So let me double check that real quick, and we'll go over that. So let's take a look real quick for Friday. We do have consumer sentiments coming out at 10 o'clock. Other than that, we're going to have Susan Collins speaking at 11, and Baker Hughes rig count, that's going to be at 1 o'clock. So the only thing that I really see is the consumer sentiments at 10 o'clock. So I'll sit on my hands too as well, just to keep that on watch. So that's the only thing that we have after the durable goods came out at 8:30 is consumer sentiments at 10. That's about it. But guys, like I said, today is Friday. Be very careful. Do not put that money back into that account, guys. Be very careful. Do not gamble on a Friday. Please don't. AR, what's up, boss? I see you in the building. I see you. So right now, AR, as I was telling everybody, I'm going to just keep my eyes focused on Tesla today. Just to see on how, if we can go back and retest those highs that we got rejected at from that 262 on down to that 260-40ish level right here where we got rejected, got stuffed at. So I'm going to just keep my eyes peeled to see on how the setup is going to present itself today. Because as I was telling everybody, I do want to look for a possible put opportunity on Tesla for the move back on down. So right now, boss, I'm definitely keeping this on watch. I want to see if we go back up to retest this area where we got stuffed at, just to kind of see if we're going to get a rejection once again, just to confirm that area is going to hold up as strong resistance. So right now, I'm definitely going to let everything play itself out and be very patient and wait for the right setup. As far as SPY, guys, like I told you, we held above that 578.91, that main pivot point that I talked about yesterday. We got the downtrend breakout going from after hours into pre-market on up, and as you can see, we're still pushing on up towards that 582. So keep that on watch right now, guys. So we're definitely getting that uptrend movement right now, so just keep that on watch right now. Let's see if I can put that together real quick. Try to piece it together. Try to piece as much as I possibly can. So right now we're on somewhat of this uptrend pattern right now. Trying to push our way back up to the 582. So just keep your eyes peeled on that. But I am going to be watching Tesla, guys. I'm going to just keep my eyes peeled on Tesla, see where we go from here. So I will be watching that today. So just letting you guys know what I'm looking at. I will be looking at Tesla. So just waiting for a put opportunity. So right now, guys, we still got about 2 minutes in. So go keep rocking and rolling. So right now, as far as Tesla, though, we are pulling back around that 256-ish area. So I'm still watching that. So I want to see if can we go back up towards these highs to retest again. So I'm going to just keep my eyes peeled on that to see where we go. So I am looking at Tesla. So I'm just letting you guys know. So I'm not looking at SPY today. I'm looking at Tesla. AR, what's your game plan, boss? What you got mapped out? Coldplay, what's your game plans today? Kato, what y'all got mapped out for today? Tyreek, what's your game plan, boss? Right now, like I said, I'm going to just be watching Tesla. I mean, that's the only thing I'm locked in right now, just to see where we go from here. Apple still holding up for my Apple traders, guys. Just got to get back above that 230 level for that pushback on up towards that 231 to 231.50. So keep your eyes peeled on that. You got to get that break back above 230. We do have that 50 above your head. We got to get above that 50. Turn that 230 resistance into support for that pushback on up towards the upside. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on that. And guys, like I said, for SPY, keep your eyes peeled on that 252 level. Keep your eyes, 282. Keep your eyes peeled at 282. So right now, like I said, guys, we did held up on that 578.91 from yesterday's pivot point. Moved on up to a possible new pivot point. Looked like around the 580.83. Wait until 10 o'clock. Yeah. Like I said, we do have some more data coming out. We have the consumer sentiments coming out at 10 o'clock. So keep that on watch, guys. Keep that on watch. Right now, we transition to an uptrend position. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on SPY. So we are in an uptrend at this moment, and we are looking good as far as on the 180 chart, as far as on the upside. So you can see it right here, guys. We got about almost 20 seconds in. So you clearly see it right here on SPY, guys, that we did hold on up right about here for that push. So we definitely got to get that push above that 581.80. For that possible retest around here, this area we got stuffed at around at 583. So keep your eyes peeled on that. So we got about 3, 2, 1. Game time, guys. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Just keep my eyes on Tesla real quick, guys. Like I said, I'm just trying to wait for the right setup. Right now, I mean, it's looking good as far as rejections right now, but I just want to keep my eyes peeled to see can we move up back towards these highs to retest, just to make sure that those resistant areas are going to hold up. So right now, we are still pushing on SPY right now, guys, up to that possible 582 level for my Tesla traders. There you go, guys, 582 level. So far, 582 for my swing traders, 582 level. SPY, what else came up? Let's see what else just came up. So right now, guys, we did get above 230 on Apple. Apple's holding up that 230. We just got to hold it. Right now, NVIDIA SPY still pushing for that possible 582.50. Let's keep your eyes peeled on that. Can we get that 582.50 push? 582.50 push. Keep it on watch. We do have room to still run up towards that 583, so definitely keep that on watch too. I'm going to set that up as well for 583. Oops. There we go. 582.50 on SPY, guys. 582.50 on SPY. Tesla still pushing on up. Keeping it on watch. All right. Keeping it on watch right now. I'm still watching my Tesla position, guys. Still nothing for me yet. Still nothing for me. Just still keeping it on watch. As we do push up, back up towards these key areas. Just still keeping it on watch for me. So still watching. Let me borrow this one real quick for the moment. I need to use you real quick. All right, let's see. I'm gonna set mine up for 15, 10, 15-ish, 30, 15. I'll set it for 30, 15, so I have a little bit of more room to. Let me take a look at my situation. See how far this bad boy trying to push back on up. How much room we still got? Towards that area. Back up towards that 260, which we're still pushing up. Still keep my eyes peeled on that. Tesla, but push back up. Still pushing back up. Let me see, gap up. Can see a slight pullback since we are, let's say, a little overextended. Can run up. I feel like today is going to be a long day. Look at 581 area for long entry. Shout out to you, Coldplay. Thank you for the alert, boss. Appreciate you for the alert. So I'm still watching as we still push up on Tesla towards that 262-ish level. So we still got room to go up. We still keep pushing. Break above that 562. Got room up to that 262. Up to that 264-ish level. Still keeping this on watch real quick, guys. See where we go. Still keeping this on watch. I was wrong. Okay, boss. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. So I'm still watching Tesla. So I mean, I'm watching this on my 15-minute. So I'm still watching this. We can trying to see if we're gonna get that push above that 260 back up to 262. 262. So can we get that continuation push back up to 262? Up to 264. We had a high of 264.86 so far. So I'm still keeping this on watch. 86. So I want to see if we can still keep pushing. I want to see if we get up to that 262.50-ish level. Just keeping this on watch to see what we truly trying to push up to. So yeah, right now, guys, I'm still watching. Still just sitting on my hands. Still nothing yet for me. Just still watching as we still push up. Still keeping this on watch. Still keeping this on watch. Because it looked like we can run up to this 264 range. If we got that momentum keeps going. From 262.50 up to 263 up towards that 264 range. So I'm still keeping that on watch. Let me double check too also. Let me check out. But we're still pushing. Still pushing. That's why I'm not touching it yet. Still not touching it yet. Still not touching it yet, guys. So I'm just still keeping this on watch just to kind of see how everything is going to set up on this bad boy. So still don't go for me yet as far as my entry. So I'm still watching this. We still set up. Trying to figure out where this bad boy is trying to go. Alright, you got another level around 265. See another level around 265. Alright, now we're testing that area 262.44, right where we got stuck that last time. Alright, put my thing back up. Yeah, still no go for me yet, guys. I'm still watching. Apple still pushing, guys. Next level will be 231.50, guys. 231.50 for Apple. For my Apple traders, 231.50 for Apple. 231.50 for Apple. Right now, let me put my alert for 260. What was it? So we already broke above that key level. Next level will be around 265.35. 265.35 on Tesla. 265.35 on Tesla. Don't watch. 265.35. That'll be that next possible area it can go. So still keeping it on watch, guys. Still keeping it on watch. Still keeping it on watch. 265.35. From that point, you got two. Let me see what we got after that. Then you got that high of 271. But see, definitely going back up towards that 260, almost close to that 265 range. That we could hold. Still got room to run up to that 265.35 area where we got stuffed with that high of 267.50. 267. What's that high? 267.59. 267.59. So I'm still keeping this on watch. 267.59. So 267. All right, 59. Those areas here. All right, so 267.59. That'll be here on Tesla. Still keeping it on watch, guys. Still keeping it on watch. We still squeezing this. We still squeezing. So I got those two areas locked on watch. Still keeping on watch, guys. As we're getting closer and closer towards that 265.35. See, we're gonna push back towards that area. 265.35 from that 267.59 up towards those highs of 267. I see 271. I'm sorry, 271 high. Keep that on watch. Keep that on watch. Still bad boy. Still pushing. So still watching, guys. Still watching. Still keeping on watch for Tesla, guys. I'm still watching that bad boy. Still keeping on watch. Still watching. Still watching. Nothing for me yet. Still. Nothing for me yet. Still. No go. No go. No go. Make sure I got that jotted down correctly. Alright, let's see. Do I got the right contract? Make sure I got the right contract. I'm on my watch list too. Still pulling, still pulling, still pulling. What do I have? Alright, it is the same contract. Alright, let me put that in my watch list real quick. Alright, cool. Still got that set. Okay. Still coming down, so we should still be going up. So I got 265.35 on that note. 265. Only had two candles since January. Closed at 265, then dumped. Yeah, so I got 265.35 AR. And I'm gonna show you what I was looking at. I'm gonna show you what I was looking at and what I've been looking at. So this is what I've been looking at, boss. So right across the board, if I can show you. Yeah, so right here be that 265.35, and then you have that high of 271. So right here's where you got stuffed at. be around 265.35, and then the next, and like I said, they had that high of 271 here. So that's why I'm watching those two areas as we still try to keep pushing on up. So I'm gonna keep it on watch. I'm gonna definitely still keep it on watch as we still keep pushing. So like I said, the next key area would be around that 265.35, because that was that area where you got stuffed at, where the Bears did not allow the Bulls to stay above. So that's what I'm watching to see if we're gonna pull back up to that area like a magnet. So that's why I'm watching that very carefully to see. Let me move it over just a little bit more. Yeah. So kind of right there in that area, boss. Like right here. See where we got stuffed at AR right here? We got a high of 271, but we got stuffed around that 265.35 right here, where we're pulling back up to it like a magnet. Right now, guys, Apple, we're about to be crossing at 231.50. 231.50 for my Apple traders. For my calls, guys. So I'm still watching it, boss. Just still keeping this on watch to see. Just still keeping it on watch. Still keeping it on watch. Close to that 231.50 on Apple, guys, for my Apple traders, for my Apple calls. Right now, you're still looking good. Still looking good. 231.50. 231.50. Let's see, can we get that 231.50 break on Apple, guys? 231.50 on Apple. So still no go for me yet, guys. Still no go yet for me. Not yet, not yet. So I'm still kind of just winging it out, just being patient. Still winging it out, being patient. See if we're gonna get that touch towards these high areas here. That's all I'm waiting on. See if can we get that push. Still being as patient as I can. It's like I'm not trying to force it. Not trying to force it. So I'm still trying to be as patient as I can. So right now we can go. How was the high? How high did we go? 264.85. 264.85. So I want to see if we still got a little bit left in the tank till we can still get that push. Excuse me. 30-minute time frame too. Still watching. Still watching. Just want to make sure. I want to make sure I'm on the right setups. That's all I'm doing, guys. Just checking it out, just being patient, not rushing anything. Just trying to put all the pieces of the puzzle together for Tesla. That's all I'm trying to do, guys. All I'm trying to do. Got about 4 minutes until the candles close on the 15-minute time frames, which is Nvidia. SPY. Apologize. So right now, guys, like I said, for the Apple, we definitely want to see that push back above. We want to see, can we get that break out of 231.50? Still watching Tesla. See, can we continuously get that push up to that 265.35, possibly up to that 267.59. So I'm just still keeping it on watch. Just see when we go. So I'm still not forcing anything. Just still watching. I just want to see, can we get that push? I still got that alert set up for 231.50 on Apple. Still got the 583. What's up, Jennifer? What's up, boss? Apple look like it's trying to get that breakout, guys. 231.50. Look like we're trying to get that push. I'm still watching Tesla, though. Still watching Tesla, guys. Still watching Tesla. Still not jumping in. Just still waiting. Still keeping on watch to see if everything's going to line itself up. That's all I'm doing. Just keeping on watch, guys. That's all I'm doing. Apple, guys, but not too far from trying to get that 231 push. 231.50 push. SPY, we just got to get back above that 532.50 level for that possible 583 push. I'm just trying to see if we're going to get that push on Tesla. I'm just still watching. I'm just going to be patient. I'm not rushing anything. Not forcing anything. I'm just going to see. You know, just keep my eyes peeled. Keep my eyes peeled to see can we get that push. It's still getting a little weak. Come on. Keep pushing. Got about... Well, I got a 30-minute time frame on this bad boy, but I'm looking at a 15 on my side. 15-minute on my side. Still trying to push up back up to trying to get back up to that 265 range. Trying to see. I don't know if they're going to do it within 2 minutes, though. Let me see. I mean, but still setting up for a gap up, though. Still setting up for a gap up. Here we go, guys. Let's see. Can we get that 231.50 push on Apple for my Apple? There y'all go for Apple, baby. Let's see, can we get that 232 push? Let's see, can we get it? 232. Shout out to my Apple traders. Shout out to my Apple calls. Y'all looking good right now. Looking good. SPY got to just hold above that 582, guys. 582.50 for that possible push up to 583. So keep that on watch. I'm still watching Tesla, guys. Still trying to get that push. Still trying to get it. Still watching it. Still watching. Here we go. Still watching, still watching. Like I said, I'm not forcing anything. See if we get that push up to that 265.35. That's all I'm watching. That's all I'm doing. So that means my contracts are coming down. So I'm not forcing anything. I'm not forcing anything, guys. Just being patient. What was that? What was that? Tesla? Oh, we did hit it? God dog. I realized we hit it already. All right, cool. I didn't realize we hit it already. All right, so 235. Okay, we're still pushing, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. Next level, 267.59. 267.59 to be next. So I'm just being patient, guys. I'm just watching the setup. So all I'm doing is watching the setup. Not rushing anything, not forcing anything. Not forcing anything. I just want to see it. I want to see how this bad boy gonna go. Not jumping in anything yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Just still watching the setups. That's all I'm doing. Watching the setups. Still being patient. Still being patient. So right now, what's gonna be next? Right now, the bad boy's still trucking it. Still trucking it. Let's see. How high? What else we got left? We right above that key level, trying to push up to that 267.59. 267.59. That'll be next. 267.59. Still watching, still watching, still watching. 267.59. That'll be next. Here we go, guys. On Tesla still pushing. SPY still pushing. Tesla still shooting up, guys. Still shooting on up. Like I said, I'm not forcing anything. Not forcing anything. Next level from that point would be that high of 271. 271 itself would be the other high. How much room is left in this tank on Tesla? Still watching. Still watching. 271. 271 is that high. So let me set up an alert just in case that bad boy's still pushing. And guys, like I said, I'm not forcing anything. I'm just watching the setups. Not forcing anything. So 271 would be after that level. So 271. So let's see. 267. Here we go. 267. All right. All right. So we hit that key mark. Still watching. Still watching. Let's see. What we got? SPY, guys, 283. I'm sorry, 583 on SPY. 583 on SPY, guys. Shout out to y'all. 583. 583. So we did call it out. We did call it out. Because I'm trying to watch two at the same time. So it's, excuse me, I'm kind of all over the place. I apologize. So I'm trying to watch Tesla and I'm trying to watch SPY and I'm trying to watch Apple all at the same time. So I'm trying to knock out everything for you guys as much as possible. I'm doing the very best I can. So we already know we're holding above that 283. Next level 283.50. So right now we're still pushing it, still gunning it. Do not forget, guys, we got consumer sentiments coming out at 10 o'clock, guys. 10 o'clock, we got consumer sentiments coming out at 10. So still keeping it on watch, guys. Still keeping it on watch. Just like I said, right now we're on a 15-minute time frame, right, Loliando? Just see on how this candle's going to play out. Right now we're still holding above. Right now the market is bullish. There's no way to think about negative right now. Wait until you get that confirmation. Do not get negative just yet. Let the market tell you that we're going to transition. Right now the market is still going up. Do not force anything. Don't do it. Until the market tells you otherwise, do not force nothing that's not meant to be at this moment. If the market is still saying we're going up, respect it. Respect it. The next level on Tesla, guys, look like that 271 that I got. That'd be that high. Keep your eyes peeled on 271, possible 271 push. So right now we're still gunning up. So that's why I'm not chasing. I'm trying to weigh out everything that I'm watching on Tesla right now. So that's why I'm not jumping in just yet. I'm just still watching this thing set up. So I'm not forcing anything right now. I'm not forcing anything. So right now I'm trying to look at three things at once. Apple, Tesla, SPY. So right now I'm trying to watch all three. I'm doing the best that I can, guys. I'm trying to do my very best that I can. Loliano, just like I said, just look at that 15-minute candle. Just see if we can hold. Just see how that candle's gonna react around that level. Can we stay above it or will we stay underneath it? So just keep your eyes peeled on that. Right now, let's see. Let me see what we got left. So right now Tesla's starting to get that pullback. Little slight pullback. Still keep my eyes peeled on that. What was that? That 35, right? 35, where we at? Still above 35 on Tesla, so still no go for me on that one. So we're still trying to push up towards those highs. So I'm still keeping my eyes peeled on that to see how much high can we push. So I'm still not jumping in Tesla yet. Guys. Let me take a quick look. let me see. Let me use my my daily time frame. Let me see how we looking on Tesla as far as the daily time frame. Because again, guys, I'm trying to watch like multiple things at one time. I'm all over the place, so I do apologize. Let me see. Tesla, where we at? So right now, getting a little bit of a pullback. Getting a little bit of a pullback on SPY underneath that 583. So right now I'm just still keeping on watch for Tesla. So I'm still not jumping in. No go for me yet. Still watching. Just trying to figure out exactly where this bad boy is trying to go. Let me borrow this one real quick for Tesla's whatchamacallit. All right, put you back. I'm just trying to figure it out, guys. As we still holding. SPY still holding still. Still no go yet. Keep your eyes peeled. 583. Apple still trying to push up the 232, possible 232. I'm still watching Tesla, guys. Still watching Tesla. Right now, the market is still pushing up right now, guys. At this moment, it's still pushing up. Give it some time.
147 cents. So we waiting till 10 a.m.
Well, you got consumer sentiments coming out at 10, so that's gonna probably add a little bit of more volatility into the market. It's up to you guys. You don't have to wait on me. It's up to you. I'm just letting you guys know what's coming out. We got data coming out at 10 o'clock. So I'm just letting you, make you guys aware of it. It's up to you on what you want to do. And like I said, it's your account, guys. It's your account. You know, I'm just giving you heads up, you know, on what to look for. So, you know, like I said, y'all don't have to do what I do. I'm just, you know, I'm trying to set up my own situation. So right now, all I'm trying to do is watch Tesla. I'm trying to watch Apple, and I'm just trying to watch SPY at the same time. But it's totally up to you guys on what you want to do. We do have consumer sentiments coming out, guys, at 10 o'clock. Just do be mindful of that. I'm just letting you guys know. I'm still watching Tesla at this moment. Still watching this bad boy. That's all I'm doing. Like I said, I'm just still not jumping in yet. Nothing yet on my end. I'm just still watching this bad boy set up. I'm just trying to figure out as we all pushing up. I'm just trying to read everything from every chart setup. You know, from a 5-year, from a 30-minute, 15 minutes. I'm just trying to put the piece of the puzzle together right now. So right now, I'm still not doing anything just yet. Because if that momentum is still there, we could see a break above that 271. So that's all I'm doing, just watching. I'm just watching, guys. That's all I'm doing. Just watching, just seeing, trying to see where we go. So I'm not forcing anything just yet. I'm just trying to read the room as we do move on up. So all I'm trying to do, guys, just read the room as we do move up. Just trying to figure this out. Because the only area that I see another strong resistance area possible would be around, it'd be around the 280s though. It'd be around 280s. It depends on what's going to happen around this area of 271. Or 271. Yeah, so I'm just trying to make sure I read everything very carefully. You know, like I said, because I just got to make sure I'm in the right position. So I'm reading everything very carefully. That's all I'm doing, guys. That's all I'm doing. Just taking my time, not trying to rush anything. Because you got to remember, we just started. The market has just started. We haven't even hit 10 o'clock just yet. So right now, I'm just trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together on how to set myself up properly. That's all I'm trying to do. And I want you guys to take your time, do the same exact thing. Wait on setups. See if you see anything. See if you see any setups that may be taking place. You know, like just try to figure it out as you go. Try to figure out. We know that we on an uptrend right now. We know this. So let's just see as we go. I'm trying to help y'all and trying to help myself at the same exact time. So I'm trying to do the very best that I can, guys. I'm trying to do the very best that I can. So I'm trying to set up every possible setup I can for my SPY traders, for Apple traders, even for Tesla traders. Right now, I'm just watching. I'm just keeping on watching. Trying to do the very best I can for everybody, man. Trying to do the very best that I can for everybody. Because I don't want nobody to feel left out in no shape, form, or fashion. So just give me some time to try to map this out real quick. So I'm doing the very best I can, guys. Look like 83. Like I said, right now we on a 15 minutes. So well, that's the next candle. So see how this candle's gonna play out, Loliano. So look, let's just see how that candle plays out. Let's see how the next one after that plays out. Right now, it's still green, still buyers. Buyers, see this? Buyers. See how we transition from sellers, buyers. Right now, it's uptrend. Look at these candles. You got way majority more green candles than red candles. So right now, they're still setting up for an uptrend. So that's what I'm saying. Just be very mindful of that, boss. Be very mindful of that. You got to put the pieces of the puzzle together. That's all it's about. Put the pieces of the puzzle together. Yeah, I want you to be careful, boss, because, I just don't want you taking any shot. Just be careful. Like I said, I wouldn't be throwing this out to you guys if I didn't care. Just want you guys to be very careful and just be very mindful. Understand your reason. And plus, just understand what position you're going for. You're going for a call or you're going for you're going for a put. If you're going for a put, wait for a put opportunity. Wait on the setups. You're going for a call, wait for a call opportunity. Right now, all I'm doing is just watching these key levels. That's all I'm doing right now. I'm being very patient and just watching on how, even with Tesla, I'm just watching on how Tesla just trying to set itself up and just go from there. I'm not rushing anything. I'm not rushing. I'm just trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together one by one. We do have about 6 minutes, guys, until the consumer sentiments come out. So I'm just keep my eyes peeled. That's all I'm doing. Keep my eyes peeled. Not trying to force anything. Not trying to force anything. Just trying to keep my eyes peeled to see where we go. That's all I'm doing. Not trying to force nothing. Just trying to see where we trying to go. Just trying to see how this gonna play out. How much higher this bad boy gonna push before we get a nice little pullback. All I'm just trying to do is be patient. Like I said, I'm watching three stocks in ETFs and so forth. Apple, Tesla, and SPY. I'm trying to help everybody out. I'm trying to set up a pattern for SPY. I'm trying to set up a pattern. I'm trying to set up a pattern for Tesla. Apple right now, we did break out of that downtrend. As I was stating, we do have room to run up to that 232. Right now, I'm just watching Tesla right now. See what we're trying to hold up at. I'm just trying to put everything together right now. So give me a minute as I just try to figure this out. Because right now, Tesla is getting weak. A little weak. About $2 in, so we're still holding. Just keep my eyes peeled on this. Got about, 5 minutes? So 5 minutes on Tesla. Where's my, dog it. Where's my Tesla, 180? Oh, here we go. Tesla 180. There we go. Put it back. There we go. So I can kind of get a clear view of what it's trying to do, or where it's trying to go, or what can we get rejected at. So that's why I'm just trying to figure this out, trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together. So all I'm trying to do, guys, just trying to figure this out. How much higher, or where can we see some strong resistance at? Because the only area I see so far of right now, it would be around 271. Right with this area, like around this area. It's the only thing I see we hit that high at. So I'm trying to wait it out. So I'm just trying to wait it out to see we do still have some buy momentum to give us that push back up towards the upside. Right now, SPY's still pushing. So right now, already know the next level will be around 583.50 as I stated. And we continuously keep that push pull on out. So let's see. So right now. So I say, guys, just read the room. Just kind of understand your setups. Apple setups, Tesla setups, SPY setups. Just understand it. We already know what pattern we are. Right now we're on an uptrend. We're in an uptrend channel. So you got to respect it at this moment. Because you got to remember, it's still the beginning of the market, guys. Still the beginning of the market. So will it start to shift after lunch hours? It could. It's a possibility. But right now we know it's bullish. Right now we know it's bullish. Don't go against the grain right now. Even with me, I'm not going against the grain. I'm not touching it right now. Again, we still got consumer sentiments coming out at 10 o'clock. Let's see how it's going to impact the market. Let's see how it's going to affect the market. Let's see that. Right now, the only thing we see is a rotation back up towards the upside. That's it. All we see right now is still a rotation back up towards the upside. That's all we see at this moment. That's all we see. So right now, let's see where we at. Well, what other highs do we have as we go this way? Let's see. So right now, we still got room to, got this level, which is around 584. We can see right here, we either tested it, got rejected, tested it, got rejected, tested it, got rejected. If we stay above, if we get that breakout of above 583.50, we know that we got room to go up to 584. We have some resistance here. You can clearly see that 584 resistance, 584 resistance, resistance. What's the next level? We got this level here. What's that? Apple, guys, 232 Apple, 232 Apple, 232 Apple. So that could be contributing for SPY to continuously keep pushing. So keep your eyes peeled on that. Right now, I'm still watching Tesla. Still no go for me. I'm still just watching it. Still watching this bad boy. So right now, SPY still pushing on up. Still pushing on up. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. So like I said, just put the pieces of the puzzle together, guys. Let me go ahead and get rid of this downtrend. We don't need that right now. Just keep it on watch. It's all about just being patient. All about understanding your setups. So let's get rid of that. We know we on this uptrend, right? We on this uptrend channel, guys. See that? We on this uptrend channel. So every time you hit around that trend line, you get rejected and come on down. So in order for you to hit that trend line, you got to hit what? Around 584. And if you take that and go back in the past, where did you see resistance at? 584, 584, 584. You can clearly see that. So let that bad boy, if you got still more room in the tank, let it run up. Let it run up. Stop trying to figure out where to go in for a put at. Wait for the market to tell you. Don't force anything. Be patient. The market is just open, guys. Don't force anything. Be very patient. All right, there we go. I got 584 on the list too. 584 on the list. So as you can see, look where this trend line is at. Look at that trend line. So in order for you to hit that purple trend line, what do you have to cross? 584. So be very patient. Just put the pieces of the puzzle together. Okay, as we go back in the past, where's some strong areas where bears came in at? Around what? 584. 584 rejected. 584 rejected. 584. You got a little bit up here, which is around what? 584, what? 60-ish? So, I mean, we see we got some resistance at, but let the market tell you where it's going to get rejected at. Let those bears tell you where they feel comfortable with it. We could get a pullback. Just be patient. Be very patient. Let the market do what it do. Right now, you got to still understand, guys. We're still with right now, guys, here we go. Consumer sentiments. Consumer sentiments. 10 o'clock, guys. Consumer sentiments. Still pushing. That's why I told you. 10 o'clock, guys. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, we hold. We got a continuation push towards this trend line, which you got to cross. 584. Keep it on watch. Can we see 584 plus? Yes, we could. So, could we go above a little bit above 584? Yes. So, just keep it on watch. Just see how this candle's going to set up. Let's see where we go. Right now, I'm getting a little bit of a red candle on Tesla for the first time now. So, just keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Let the market tell you what it's going to do, guys. Let the market tell you what it's going to do. Be very patient. Don't force anything. Don't force anything that shouldn't be. Let the market allow you to tell you what it's going to do. But we know right now Tesla got his first little red candle. Let's see if we hold it. Because we got, what, 15 minutes until this candle. Well, this is a 30-minute candle, but on mine's, got about 15 minutes until that candle closes out. So right now, I'm still keeping on watch. Still not a strong red candle, you know, like to let me know that the market is really flipping. So right now, I'm still kind of, you know, weak on the sell side still. Still looking a little bit more bullish. Because I don't see no engulfing candles yet. You know, to kind of give me that signal, okay, like that, we're about to flip back on down. And right here, SPY, 15-minute time frame, still green candles. So keep that on watch, just like Apple. Apple, still green candles. So right now you're bouncing off of that close for that possible push on up. So what's next? What do I got right here? What price point is that? 233 that I got next. So 233, that's next. Look like it on Apple. Yeah, up to 233. Got Apple's push, possible push. Got to get above 232.50 for the possible push up to 233. So keep it on watch. SPY still pushing. SPY's trying to go for what? 584. As I told y'all, I alerted it. 584. Cannot say I didn't call it. All right, 584. Let's put it. I'm gonna put 584. We hit the target. I'm gonna just put alert hit. Now, I'm not saying that 584 is gonna be it. I'm just saying it's one of the alerts. So don't get it twisted. So that's all I'm saying. And what did we hit? What did I tell y'all? 584. Guys, you gotta pay close attention to details, man. I told y'all. 584 alert hit. Boom, told you. Gotta be patient, guys. Be patient. Don't force anything. Alright, 584 level. Oh, I didn't mean to put the down symbol. My fault. I copied that wrong. My bad. Let me redo that. I apologize. Gotta take that off. Take that arrow off. I'm sorry. My apologies. Let me re-put that. My apologies, guys. Didn't mean to do that. My fault. Alright, 584. As I told you guys, 584. Be patient, man. Be patient. It's all about patience, guys. 584. Alright, 584. Alright. So 584, I did alert. Alright, what's next? I'm still watching my setup. I'm still watching my Tesla. So still no go for me yet, though, guys. I'm still watching Tesla. Because I still think we got a little bit more room in that tank to still run up towards above that 271. So I'm just going to keep it on watch. So I'm trying to use every chart to my ability. From, again, the 5-year chart, which the 5-year chart looked like we could see the 280s. So let's see. I'm trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together in every which way, guys. I'm trying every which way to figure this out. So I'm just trying to take my time on my end for my trade, for possible, put opportunity where I can hold it and write it back down. So let's see. So right now, guys, 584. Boom. We had a little bit of a little push above it, which is around 584.19. And as I told y'all go back in the past. Look, go back. What did you see? Where you see bears come in at? 584, 584, 584. What did they come in at? 584. I told you. 584. Wait, I told you I was gonna get a possible push up to 584. I told you this. Cause look where your sellers are sitting at. 584, 584, 584. So I can still put a line up there and show you. Look, move it on up. 584. Can they hold it? Let's see. I'm gonna keep it on watch. 584. Boom. See that? Rejected. What did you hit? Or what did you get rejected? 584. Just keep it on watch to see if can we hold it? But we know that's where some resistance was gonna come at, and then look, you hit that trend line. See that? Ran up to that trend line. That purple trend line got rejected. See that? Hit that purple trend line, you get rejected. Hit that purple trend line, 9 times out of 10 because be seeing a rejection, and it's lining up with what? 584. So keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Let's see how that next candle is gonna react. Because right now you did hit resistance, you did hit that trend line resistance, you did hit that 584 resistance. So let's see on how the next candle is going to react around 584. So just keep it on watch. Can 584 be that top to where we can start to pull back down? Because we already know in the past. Look, 584, rejected. 584, rejected. 584, rejected. And look right here, 584, and also lining up with what? My channel uptrend. Every time you hit the uptrend, you get rejected, come on down. You hit that uptrend, 9 times out of 10, you'll get rejected and do what? Possibly come on down. So right now, this set up a channel setup for you guys for SPY, so you can clearly see it where you got rejected at. So there you go. So now, let me focus on my trade. So I done hooked y'all up, now let me focus. So let me see what I can do on my end. So right now, I'm still watching Tesla. I done called out Apple for you guys. I done called out what Tesla was possibly going. There you go, and SPY. So let's go, guys. Stay focused. Gert says, did I put the thing back on my I did. Gert said my Microsoft chart. He said downtrend break on a 1 hour chart and daily with the 50 SMA and the 200 almost touching, but keeping the 50 day above 200. Looking for Microsoft to hold 430. Shout out to you, Gert. Thank you for the alert, boss. Let's take a look at it. So, right, yeah, okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, breaking above that downtrend, using that downtrend for that push on up. Got you. Appreciate you for the insight, boss. Appreciate you. Thank you. Still watching Tesla. I'm just still watching this bad boy. Still watching. What we got left on this candle? I mean, on the got a 15 minute, right? Yeah, I got 15 minutes. Okay. All right, so we got about 10 minutes. What? 9 minutes left. 9 minutes left. 9 minutes. Still no go yet. Still no go yet for me on mines. Still not screaming out reversal yet. Still not screaming out reversal to me yet. Just yet. Just being honest on Tesla side. Still not screaming out reversal just yet. I mean, we could be setting up. Let me see. Still just not screaming out yet. Not yet. Not to me yet. So I'm not jumping in just yet. Still not screaming out reversal yet. Not yet. What was the lows? 33? I would have been up a lot anyway. Come on, Tesla. Let me know where these at. What is the tops? The top tops is gonna actually be. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Where's these top tops? Because I know you're getting overextended. I know you're getting overbought right now. I already know. Let me check out the RSI on SPY on the stock charts on Tesla. Let me see. So where we at right now as far as the RSI on Tesla? Right now, guys. Right now, we are sitting at a 67 on Tesla right now. So right now, we are sitting at... Yeah, right now on Tesla, guys, we are sitting around a... I said 67. I could have sworn I just said that. 62. I'm sorry, 62. Could have sworn I said 67 just now. The hell was I looking at? Oh, it did say 67. Got to flip it over. All right, so 62 on the weekly. And should have been 67 on the daily, right? No, 62. Could have sworn I seen 67. All right, 62. 62 right now. On Tesla. I'm just making sure. All right. So it is getting over. Okay, so it is getting to the overbought range. So we are getting into that overbought range on Tesla because we are at a 67. I don't know why this thing was acting slow, but yeah, we are getting around a 67. I thought I wasn't tripping. So yeah, guys, on the daily on Tesla, we are seeing a 67 on the RSI right now. So we are getting closer to that overbought range. We're about to hit almost near towards that 70. So we are getting close to that area. So that's why I'm just watching this setup. Because right now it's telling me that we're getting close to, like, we're in this overbought position. So I'm definitely just keeping those on wires, letting Tesla just play itself out. So right now, just keep this on watch, guys, for SPY for around this 580, 584. Just keep it on watch. Just keep it on watch. See where we go from here. 584. 584 is still trying to test. 584 is still trying to test. Keep it on watch. Apple's finally starting to get this little possible red candle underneath that. What it was, 232? Yeah, 232. Tesla's starting to get his first little red candle as well, but it's not like major. It's like it's still kind of still not giving me that you know, just that oh man, we about to flip back down. It's like it's still not giving me that confidence just yet. Still not getting that. I'm still not getting that feeling. So I still feel like it's still something left in that tank as far as on the upside still on Tesla. That's why I still haven't jumped in yet. It's just not giving me that just yet. That's why I want to see on Friday how much is left in the tank for the rest of that squeeze. For the rest of that Friday squeeze, what is left in the tank? What is left in the tank on SPY? What's left in the tank on Apple? What is left in the tank on Tesla? And I still feel that we still got room to squeeze right where that 271 is. I still think it's going to squeeze upward. I just still have that feeling. Even with SPY, still squeeze. Because right now you still got that Friday squeeze going. Still got that Friday squeeze still taking place. So right now, again, if you break above that, get above that 584, still got room up to this key level, which is around 585. That's the your half dollar mark. So I still see that if we continuously hold. See, still got that for that possible push. That's why I say just wait for the setups, guys. Just wait for the setups. Cause we still testing that trend line. We haven't broken above it. Still testing it. That trend line and that 584 still. So we still kind of hovering around it. Still hovering around it. So still no go yet. What's the next areas? See, the next area is way up here. That'll be around 585, 50-ish. Right here we have this sell-off. I mean, this little pullback here. So right now, let's eliminate these and focus on the upper area. So what I'm gonna do is, for right now, let me eliminate these lines. I'm gonna eliminate these lines real quick, guys, so we can focus on the upper area of the like up here more. So let me just put these in gray and gray these out real quick. Thinking new. Let me see. On SPY, it's a bit away, but I didn't see coming from this one. Okay, I got you, boss. Got you. Right, trying to figure out this pattern, guys. Just trying to figure out this pattern as we going up. Just trying to figure it out. Because it almost looked like a... Let me see. It looks like a channel magnet. It's like you yank right back into this area where there used to be a channel. Let me see something. Hold up. Let me bring this up a little bit more. Hold up. Let me see if I can put the piece of the puzzle together. Right about this late area. Almost... Oh. Almost like right in this area we had like a channel like pattern. It's like you're going right back into this dang channel right here. So you hit this, rotate it all the way back down, you bounce, you fell out of the channel, came back into the channel. Because if you see across the board, you kind of see where you kind of maneuver back and forth, like you stayed in this channel for like a week, or damn near 2 weeks. Yep, like right here in this area, and you right back in it. You're right back in that channel. So I'm trying to figure out where these actual tops, because right now I'm still gonna have that. I'm gonna still keep 584 too though, just to see. But we don't have to break above it. So I'm still keep 584 as one of the areas that's gonna be crucial. Oops, it's gonna be very crucial. Still watching though. Tesla starting to pull back now. All right, let me see. All right, so 584 is still fighting around 584. I'm still keeping on watching. Just watch that red line. Watch that red line, 584. Right now, Tesla now we're starting to pull back and get that engulfing. There we go. That's what I was waiting on. Okay, now we're starting to get a little bit of an engulfing. I'm watching that engulfing counter. Let me see how we're gonna close out. Let me see how we're gonna close out. Cause now we're starting to get that strong red candle even on the 15-minute time frame. So we starting to get a little bit of how we got left on this counter. Oh yeah, 1 minute. What we at? About 30 seconds to my 15-minute counter close out on Tesla. About 15 minutes. So I'm still keeping this on watch. Got about 20 seconds. Just trying to see how this bad boy trying to set up real quick. Oh, we finally starting to get this little. Keep it on watch though. In about 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New candle. 15 minute. All right, cool. Let me take a look at that. So what do we need to stay underneath? Still watching this guy. Still watching. Watching Tesla. Just watching Tesla real quick on my 15-minute time frame. What was the close in this candle? That was 267. 260. Wait, that was close. 267. So 267 needs to stay underneath. Yeah, it was 267. Okay, so 267. All right, let me keep that in mind as we do possibly try to retest that area. So 267. See what's trying to bounce too. See exactly what's trying to bounce. Oh, we're starting to pull back now, huh? Let me see. Keep this on watch, guys. I'm just watching Tesla setup. Do you think SPY 5-minute has a bull flag? Like I said, we could get back above, because like I said, 584 is going to hold up as some type of strong resistance, because you can see what happened in the past, Queen. You can see right here, every time we ran up 584 rejected. 584 rejected. So we know we're going to have some sellers sitting around that area. So it does seem to be set up in a bull flag position. I do see it as well. So like I said, 584 is going to be a very crucial area. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on that. I'm watching Tesla at the same time too. Cause I'm just trying to see. Just keep my eyes peeled on Tesla's 15-minute time frame. Cause I'm just trying to figure out where's it topping at. Cause I see right now where it topped at as of now off of this first 15-minute time frame. I see exactly where it topped out at. So I want to see, can I play off of that area? Shout out to Deck. Shout out to the boss man himself, the myth, the man, the legend. So yeah, that 584 though, Jenna, definitely keep your eyes peeled around this area because it's going to be a very crucial area. You stay underneath it, put it like this. You stay underneath 584, you're going to get a pull back down towards that possible 583, 582.50 level. You stay above it, we'll start to see 584.50, 585 and so forth. So 584 is going to be a crucial area. 584 is going to be a crucial area on SPY. Underneath it, you'll pull back down, what you're doing right now. 583.50 down to possibly 582. 583 itself. So keep that on watch. Yeah, especially after that, like he was saying, after that huge run, you get that move on up. 9 times out of 10, you're going to get that move right back on down. So, which is why I'm trying to set myself a freaking Tesla. I was trying to catch that next candle. It's pulling back already. It's pulling back already. I was trying to get the best entries possible. I was going to hold it. Where we at right now? 40? What was that? 37. Did we test 37 yet? No. Starting to pull back. We're starting to pull back slowly on Tesla. I'm watching it. Pulling back slowly on Tesla. I was trying to catch them lows. Cause I'll show you my time frame. See, I was just watching it. That's why I was watching what these tops was to start to see what was gonna start to shift. So that's why I was watching this very carefully. Trying to put the piece of the puzzle together to see exactly what Tesla was gonna start to turn. Let me see. Cause we do get rejected. Okay, what's the area I needed to stay underneath? Like the main primary area I needed to stay underneath. That's gonna be that 265.35, right? 265.35. Yeah, so we put back underneath that key level, 265.35. That's a guarantee. That's gonna turn back into resistance because that's gonna fall back into that area like it did before. That's where that high is at. So if we can pull back and lose that 265.35, we definitely can show. All right, so where we at right now? 265.83, 87. So it's pulling almost right back to that area. So that could be the start, or where you could start the top and pull back on Tesla. Because it looked like it's getting ready to set up for that. Because you all pulling back down into that 265 area. Because remember the area I called out was around, you remember, was it what, 265.35, something like that? Make a duplicate copy. So on Tesla was around, 265.35. Let me go back real quick. So 265, 265.35-ish. So right where we at. So that's what I'm just trying to see. Cause you're trying to see how it's gonna try to bounce on top of it. Gonna slowly try to bounce on top of that bad boy. It's gonna be around 265.35. He said I'm out. Puts 583.50. Loliando, shout out to you. What was your entry, boss? What you got in at 84 down to 50? I know you caught some window 84s. Okay, shout out to look perfect. So right 50 cent on the spot. Shout out to Loliando, man. Shout out to my traders, man. Y'all killing me. Shout out to y'all. All right, looking good, guys. Looking good. Did she sleep? Where's she at? Did she leave? Oh, she did leave. I was wondering where she went. I was like, she quiet. All right, guys, keep this on watch. Still getting stuff right there at that trend line, guys. Look at this. Still getting stuff at that trend line. See that? 584. Still getting stuff. Still having a little bit of trouble. Just watching his setups. I'm slowly watching my setup as well. Still no go for me just yet. I know, cause like I said, I'm just trying to figure out, put the piece of the puzzle together, especially for Tesla. Cause Tesla I know still trying to run. So that's why I'm not jumping in still yet. I still haven't jumped in yet. That's why I got that 265.35. You see where it bounced at? 265.35. That's one of the areas I called. So right now you're still holding on top of it. Look, almost like a bull flag pattern. That's the reason why I'm not jumping in just yet. So I'm still trying to see how much room is left in this dang tank on there, which I still think we could possibly push up a little bit towards that 271 still. I could be right, could be wrong. I'm just, like I said, I know Friday is a little tricky. I'm just trying to see. Because I want to get as high as I can. I want to get high. So where would look like a pivot point on Tesla, though? Like, where could I see it returning back down to? It looked like, because I know we're in some high areas right now. So I'm trying to figure out an actual pivot point where I can see Tesla returning back to. Let me try to put the piece of the puzzle together. What can be a pivot point on Tesla where it can go up but then return back to it? I mean, the only area I see is around that 265.35, right? For right now. So that's why I wanted to go up so it can return back down to it. So that's why I wanted to go up a little bit more. I want to go up a little bit more above it. Because right now we came down to it. I want to still go up a little bit above it because you can see where it returned to. Let me see. Before I go, just want to say that Microsoft 430 bounce was nice, lined up with my BY perfectly. Shout out to Gert. Shout out to the for the alert. Appreciate you, boss. Appreciate you. Give me some love. Shout out to all my traders. Shout out to Tyreek. Shout out to James Greg. To all of y'all killing it. Shout out to everybody, man. Y'all killing it. Right now, guys, SPY still getting that push. Still getting that push when you pulling up like a magnet. So I'm just still keeping this on watch. So all I did was just shrink up my 15 minutes. So we do have a little area here that look like around 85.50 50-ish. Right here where you had this area. So that's what I'm trying to see how much is left in the tank for that push, continuation push. Because you'll have to get above and stay above 584.50 to that possible 585. So that's for sure you're going to have to cross. You're going to have to cross 584.50 to let us know, okay, we're still going up. We're still going up towards the upside. So 584.50, 584.50, 584.50. I'm going to set that up too, just in case. Just in case. Set that up, guys. Come on. There we go. I'm still watching mine, guys. I'm still watching my Tesla move. I still haven't jumped in yet, though. 584. Oh, here we go. 584.50. What? How high did we go? 84.46. So we missed it by 4 cents. So I'm still keeping this on wide. So we haven't hit it just yet. We like right by it, though. We haven't hit it. We like right there by it. So I still got those key marks in mind. So right now we still just squeezing up right now, which is why I still haven't hopped on Tesla just yet. Still waiting on that. I still think Tesla's gonna push up towards that 271 plus. I still think it's gonna push up towards the upside a little bit more. Just waiting to see. Cause I'm trying to look at it from every standpoint, like Tesla stuff. Cause I try to look at it from a five-year chart too. So I'm trying to figure out how much further can Tesla keep pushing. So what I did was I took this, unlink it, go to Tesla, 5-year. Do I got my 5-year chart set up? Yeah, I do got it set up, huh? Yeah, 5-year. So yeah, right now Tesla, like we said, we come bouncing off of that uptrend, trying to go on up. That's why I'm trying to figure out, like, where's that strong resistance level as we do pull back, push back up. So right now I'm seeing across the board here, kind of like we had this little pullback, bounce, then pull back again, right around these key levels. It look like we still got room to go this way a little bit more, and that's what I'm trying to figure out. Look like around 271. Which look like it's trying to still push up to that level on Tesla. That's why I'm still trying to wait it out. As we get into those tough areas where I know those bears can move in at, which look like it's lining up right here. 271, right here. 271, pullback. 271, pullback. 271, pullback. And look like we're trying to go to 271 again. So I'm just watching to see, can we get this 271 break? So I'm watching that very carefully to see exactly, because I still think it's still got room to go up. I'm just trying to see if we're gonna get that push back up though. If not, we'll fall back underneath that. We'll fall right back underneath that 265.35. That's what I'm trying to see. Can we stay on top of it? Push up some more, because we know where it's gonna return. Try to return back to, because you see where it returned to, 265.35. So that's why I wanted away from it, go higher, 270, 271, 275, hell, 280. So it can return back down to what? 265. So I wanted away from it. I wanted to go up, where you kind of get overextended and then you return back to it. So that's what I was kind of waiting on. Let me see. Let me move this up a little bit. Let me see where it goes. What was that? 265.35? Let me see if I can see it on my 5-year chart. Let me see. Alright, that makes sense. So we right at the area. So right here. Okay, so we right here, right where that trend line is at. And we right where that 265.35 is at. Because that's where you bounced at. 265.35, 265.35. Then you got rejected. 265.35, 265.35 to that 271. So I'm definitely look like it just wants to cross that way. Like it wants to rotate now that way. Like you want to do it now an upper rotation above that key level. So which is why I'm waiting. Because right now you kind of see it right here. So you're holding above it, right? So I'm trying to see if we're going to get that rotation like this way and then come back down to it. So meaning I wanted to go up. I wanted to get away from it. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Where are you trying to? Come on, man. Come on, Tesla. Talk to me. 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 We pulling back down again? A little bit, slightly. What is this? Who is this open? I mean, slows. Excuse me. So I'm trying to see how this bad boy's trying to set up. Because, I mean, right now, everything's still pulling back as far as the contracts. That's why I'm still not jumping in. That's why I'm just still trying to get this lined up. I'm trying to watch this very carefully. Because you kind of see right here, you right where that trend line is at on Tesla. And like I said, you still got to further push up to that 271. Because you can see 271, rejected. 271, rejected. 271, rejected. 271, you right here. So that's why I'm thinking there's still more left in that tank for that possible 271 push. So that's why I'm just trying to go off of what the chart is telling me. Damn, we still got room to squeeze towards this 271. Now, will it hold? I can't lie and say it will. I don't know. But that looks like the potential area that it could go is 271. So that's why I'm waiting. That's why my alert hasn't went off yet. Because I still think you got room to still push that way. So that's why I'm just watching this still. Still watching this bad boy. I still think I got a little bit of room left in the tank to push back up towards that 271. So now, now y'all kind of get what I'm saying and why I didn't jump in Tesla just yet still. Because I can kind of still read it. I mean, look at SPY. SPY looking on a 5-year chart. Look at this. So all you got to do, look at the overall movement. We talked about this since what? The beginning, damn near February. We talked about this when we went on the cup and handle breakout in 2024. Like right here. Look at it. Ever since we went on that cup and handle breakout pattern from 2020 to 2023, we've been on a run up on 2024. You can clearly see this. So SPY is telling you the direction that it's going throughout for 2024. So if you go right here, look at this. Right about here. Cup. Nope, I'm sorry. Put that in the wrong spot. Right here. Well, it was a cup and handle. You might as well use that. See, cup. Boom, boom, boom. Because that was your breakout right about here around that 480. Because 480 is what took out SPY in 2022. You caught that pullback. Then you started to U-shape your way back on up in 2023. You got rejected at 460. Pull back down, creating a handle right here. Boom, 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 boom. So even if you want to consider 460 for a cup and handle, you could have utilized that. But the main one was 480. 480 is what took us off. That's what accelerated us towards an uptrend for 2024. So if you notice that, we just been on an uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. Look at your 13 EMA. Uptrend, uptrend, still moving its way on up. Closer and closer towards that main area that we're trying to see is what? 600. So we're still moving up. It's still, the overall market is still moving up, regardless of how you want to look at it. The market is still moving. There's no way around it. The market is telling you where it's trying to go for 2024. It's 600. So right now, I'm still watching Tesla. Still watching this bad boy. Where's my setup? Still watching, still watching, still watching, still watching. So he's still holding this level here. What is this? What was that close on this candle? Close was, 267, 267. All right, so 267 is still holding. 267 is still holding, but you got rejected. What was the open? You got rejected at 269.16. So 269.16 on my 15-minute time frame. So you kind of, all right, the way it's looking like it's building up, like it's kind of building like trying to build a flag. That's what it looked like it's trying to build. So watch, let me show you for example. It looked like it. I'm not saying it's going. It's a possibility. So it looked like it's trying to build a flag. So if I take my line, go across where that close was, where that open was on this candle, that red candle, right? And then I take this. It does look like it's trying to create somewhat of a. You notice that? It looked like it's trying to create somewhat of a bull, like a flag pattern. See that? You got that pole. And it like it's trying to build a flag right about here. So that's why I'm just being careful just to see what it's gonna really do. Because right now we're still trying to pull back down towards that 265.35 mark. So I'm still watching it. I'm just still watching it because I still got that price point in mind. Right now it look like it's trying to build some type of flag. I'm trying to see if it's gonna hold. I'm starting to pull back slightly though. Starting to pull back slightly on that bad boy. Slightly. So, y'all notice that? Y'all see it on my 15-minute on Tesla? So, it looked like it was trying to create a flag-like position. So, right now, I'm just keeping my eyes peeled. To see where this bad boy gonna go. It looks like you're still trying to pull back towards that 265.35. So, it looks like you're pulling right back down to it again. So, I'm just trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together, guys. That's all I'm trying to do. Trying to put the pieces of the puzzle because I do plan on trying to hold. See, he's trying to hold on that trend line. So that's why I'm just being very, very cautious, guys. Very cautious on how it's going to play out. Still trying to pull. Slowly trying to pull. I'm just watching this because you have to get back above 267.50. Right now, we already cracked 267 itself. So I'm just watching this very, very carefully on how Tesla's is gonna set up right now. Now we're starting to got rejected here. We start to slowly pull back. So I'm just watching this right now. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing right now. That's all I'm doing. Just trying to put the piece of the puzzle together, guys. That's all I'm trying to do. Put the piece of the puzzle together. So right now we all pulling back though. Yeah, definitely pulling back. We're definitely pulling back. Alright, we all pulling back right towards that 235. I mean 265.35. Pulling back towards that area once again. So here we go on that one. So let me see how that candle's gonna close out. Let me see how this candle, even on my 15 minute. Let me see how this candle's gonna close out. If it closes underneath that 265.35, that's gonna turn back to resistance. That's gonna turn back into resistance. Because if y'all notice, it's slowly pulling back towards this area again. How did I figure out 265.35 based off, I think it was the 180 chart? How I figured that out. Let me go back to it. So yeah, 180 chart. So all I did was, let me show you real quick, guys. All I did was take the pass, right? Because where did you get stuffed at? Like, where did the bass come in more aggressive, right? 265.35. This is where they came in more aggressive, right? Right here. That's what, I mean, you had a pop all the way up to 271, but then you got stuffed at 265.35, creating more resistance and more of a pullback. So that's why I was looking at that same level, right where we at right now. So that's all I'm looking at, just to see if we're gonna go back and turn that 265.35 into resistance like we did in the past once again. Well, after this candle, we got that major pullback from what? 265.35, and look where we pulling back to, 265.35. So all I'm doing is trying to take the past and try to utilize it to see if I can use that to the best of my ability. Because look where we at right now, 267.50. You see that? That's all I'm doing. And just trying to understand it, trying to put myself up in the right position. That's all I'm doing. Trying to just set it up. So that's why I'm trying to use every chart to the best of my ability. So that's all I'm trying to do, guys. Trying to use every chart to the best of my ability on that. Keep an eye on EMA, on the MAC and the MACD, and RSI. This point expires depending on how this next 15-minute candle plays out. If we just hold, I may look for a play, the pullback. If we get that one, need to break. He said need to break back below 9 EMA. Where's the 9? Oh, what time frame you had it on? Using the 15. Okay, so you talking about as far as like the magnet, like kind of yanking it back to the 9 EMA. You talking about Coldplay. You talking about from that 584 back on down towards that 9 EMA, which would be around what's the hell is the 9 EMA? 582.94. Almost. Well, you might as well round it off 583. So that'd be like a dollar pullback, pretty much. Somewhat of a dollar pullback. Right now, look where we at, guys. Look at that. 265. I told you I need that 265.35. Underneath 265.35. So keep that on watch. What we got left on this candle? 8 minutes. So right now we are getting that pullback. I was trying to get in. I wanted to catch that. All right, we starting to get that candle though. What I was anticipating. For Christmas, I'm getting Jay and Mac. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hey, it be working. Hey, it be working, old boss. Hey, you can't lie on that. It be working. The man, man, love you, boss, man, love you. But you know it be working. Hey, the magnets be a trick on here. The magnets be doing some justice. I mean, but look at my pattern I got set up. AR and Coldplay. Look how my channel played really well as far as SPY. You hit that top trend line, you get rejected. Hit the bottom trend line, you bounce. Hit the top trend line, 9 times out of 10, we may get what? Rejected. So I already had the uptrend channel set up for everybody. So while I was doing that, I'm still looking at my setup for my opportunity. So trying to help everybody else out, I got to help myself. So my turn. It's my turn. So let me set myself up. TT Light, shout out to you though, boss. TT, you got you took a trade? You took one? Yeah, I'm trying to set myself up for Tesla. I'm trying to, man, I told you I was watching Tesla the whole time. After that spike, oh yeah, because this is going to be set up for a pullback. That's why I was just trying to set it up. I was trying to figure out how high we were going. So I was like, okay, how high could we go? So we did hit close towards that 271. but we didn't touch it. So keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. All right. So I'm watching on how this 15-minute candle is gonna close out. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Cause right now that 265.35, we underneath it. So I'm keeping that on watch. Not yet. Still waiting for a quick short. On what, boss? So you looking for a SPY or you looking for like what you looking at? I'm looking at Tesla, and you know me, I'm a SPY trader. But Tesla, after that rip on up, I'm like, it's a lot of opportunities. It's a lot of opportunities. And then even next week, I mean, I'm gonna look at Google, I'm looking at Apple, I'm looking at Amazon, I'm looking at Meta, I'm looking at Microsoft, and I'm looking at SMCI. And I'm gonna use everyone to the best of my ability. I promise you. I'm gonna use everyone to the best of my ability, boss. I'm sorry too, I forgot to expand it out. I apologize. So look at my channel, see what we're getting rejected at. Perfect. Boy, that couldn't be more of a perfect channel setup. That couldn't be more perfect. More perfect. Look at that. Hit that area, have a little bit of trouble for a possible pullback. Because we seen it here, hit, rejected, hit, rejected, hit, rejected, and look what's happening. Boom. So keep that on watch. I'm still watching my Tesla. What we got left? 45. 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 6 minutes. 6 minutes, 6 minutes. 6 minutes, 6 minutes. So we hit this one. Alright, 6 minutes until this candle. 5 minutes now. Because I'm just trying to time this. I'm trying to watch everything too. I'm trying to watch the 180 chart. I'm trying to watch the 5-year chart. I'm trying to watch everything to put the pieces of the puzzle together for me on Tesla. Because I want to nail this bad boy perfect. Like I'm talking about, just try to nail the tops for that possible little pullback where I can just hold it. You know, possible little hold. That's it. You know, and I'm just keeping on watch. I'm just watching. I'm just keeping this on watch. Right now we hit these highs around 569, almost close to the 571. And right now I'm still watching that 265.35 level still. That's all I'm doing. Still watching that key level. Still watching that key level. Still, that's why I haven't jumped in yet. Just gonna see how this gonna play out. Sometimes you just gotta be patient, wait for the setups. I know sometimes it may take, because trust me, I've been there, guys. I've been there where it's something may take forever in a day. You're getting impatient, and forces your emotions to be like, you want to just jump in anything, but don't. I'm telling you, be very patient. Just be very patient. And while you're being patient, the best thing to do, even with SPY. Okay, look, let's do this. TT Life and the rest of you guys. Okay, as we are going up, what else can we figure out? Okay, look. Let's see. Can we figure out a pattern? Is anything standing out to us? You know, do we see anything that looks like a bearish pattern? You know, anything that's calling out to us? You know, do we see an inverted cup and handle pattern? Nope. Do we see an H pattern? Nope. Do we see a descending wedge? Nope. Do we see, it's like nothing yet is standing out. It's even as far as the patterns, like nothing is standing out just yet, bosses. So right now, I still see everything's still bullish. So like while you are waiting, look for things that can kind of call out to you. Okay, right here, TT. For example, what did we see right here? See that arc? We seen that arc. But you remember before the drop within that arc, what did we see within that arc right here? We seen a what? Cup and handle pattern, right? An inverted cup and handle pattern that gave us a notion that, okay, we was going down. Cause look, you went up and then you arced on down. But before that drop, remember, the main thing that we seen inside of that arc was what? Somewhat of a cup and handle pattern. We seen, if I can remember where it was at, I think it was right here. Or was it here? I'm trying to remember. No, I think it was here. It was like a cup inverted. See, that gave us a signal, right? That gave us a bearish signal. So I think it was 2 days in a row, right? We seen two of them, wasn't it? Because you remember I called out the other one before. Yeah, right here. We went on that monster drop. Remember, look, cup and handle pattern. So you gotta, while you're waiting, just wait on the opportunities. Wait on the opportunities and wait for patterns to scream out to you. God dang it, Tesla. Hold up, Tesla. God dog it. You still pulling back. Hold up. Said hold up. God dog. What's my 15-minute time frame for Tesla? God dog it. Did I move it? Let me see. Sorry to stop talking. God dang it. I just started to see it drop a little bit underneath that 565.35. So I was like, God dog. Let me see. Where's my 15-minute time frame? Oh, there we go. Because I was trying to see what time it's going to close out. My fault, guy. My fault. I was just trying to see. I was trying to look. right now, got about almost a minute till that count close out. I'd have been up too if I'd have caught those low areas. Damn. See, right now, if you falling right underneath that 265.35, now let's go to the 180 chart. Let's go to the 180 chart so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Let's hear him go. What's 180? Yep, 180. So let's hear him go back. Where I got the opportunity. All right, go back. Go back a little bit. And where are we getting rejected at? Where's it at? Did I move it? Where did my line go? Oh, you look, ML. Hurry up before this damn candle change. 65.35. All right, boom, up here, right here, 265.35. Where did we get rejected? 265.35. Boom, there you go. So that's why I was waiting on the setups. That's why I was patiently waiting on these setups. That's because I got so many charts open. That's why I keep closing it. But yep. So it's standing out to me. So let me keep it on watch. Right now, it look like a little pull backage. Not too bad. All right, come on, Tesla. Stop playing with me. All right, where's my chart set up? All right, here we go. All right, so let me keep this on watch. So right now, here we go, guys. Still see we underneath that 265.35. We're underneath that bad boy. So I'm just keeping that on watch. All right. So will we go back to retest around that bad boy? We'll start to pull back immediately. I should have got in early and just held, just been patient. Just go ahead and just wait it out. That's what I should have just did. Should have just chanced to say bump it. Even if I'm going in with one share, should have just did it. Cause I was trying to go in with like 5 shares or up to 5 contracts to start off with. Cause right now it's starting to slowly curl up on my contracts, and I'm gonna show y'all for example. So it's starting to slowly curl up because I'm gonna go in with a pile of them. So it's slowly starting to curl up right about right here. So I was gonna pile up. See, the lows was like 33. And it's starting to slowly move its way up as Tesla keeps pulling back. See that? As Tesla keeps pulling back, my contract goes up. So right now you didn't dip, you didn't held these floors, slowly moving with room to run back that way. So that's why I'm trying to catch that bad boy the best way that I can. So that's why I'm trying to set myself up for a nice hold. So if I can play, because I know I need to stop trying to get perfect numbers. I know I need to quit that crap. I got an OCD with that. I gotta quit doing that because I know we're trying to get perfect numbers, and I gotta quit that. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set up. Oh wait, what the hell just happened? Oh, I had the wrong account open. Duh. All right, no wonder why I didn't catch that. I was like, why the hell didn't it do nothing? So right now, it's doing everything I needed to do right now. Let me see. Oh, no. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait for that next candle. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait for the next candle. So instead of catching on the red, I'm catching on the green. I'm going to let it see if it's going to bounce and move back up. So I can make my contracts go back down. And I feel like I'm chasing it as it goes up. Come on. Give me a bounce back up. Because now you're starting to crack that 9 EMA too. On the 15-minute candle, it's cracking that 9 EMA, guys. You're cracking that 9 EMA on Tesla. Tesla, there you go. See that? That's why I was watching Tesla. I ain't give a damn about SPY. I was watching Tesla. I'm trying to set it up, Queen, because I want to hold it. Like from let me see how far I think it may drop. Cause man, I was trying to nail that damn part. Where's my 180? Where's my 180 chart? Oh, here we go. I gotta go back to Tesla. My 180. All right, 180. Tesla. Take this off. Tesla. 180. I think it was this one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Go back. Yep, right about here. So you're doing that nice green on up. You're getting rejected and coming right back on down. And with room to pull, so I might catch that next pullback. Possible pullback, because it is lining up perfectly too. So let me see. Trying to see if I can bounce back. I mean, if we're going to try to bounce back up to move my contract back down. Because now it's starting to move. Crap. Not starting to move. Now you want to move. Right where I had a feeling was going to start to hit. What was this at? Feed off of this candle. Oh, okay. I know what I can do. I know exactly. Since I got it on a, what, 3-minute time frame? I know what I can do. I know exactly what I can do. How I can make that entry a little bit better. So this is what I'm going to do. I think I got an idea. So I'm going to have to wait for that possible next candle to come in because it's going to gap up. Well, let's gap it down a little bit on this one. So let me see.
Hustle and Flow 666 says, Jay, can you look at MSTR? It's holding PM high.
MSTR, hold up, boss. Hold up. Oops, I got spies all in the air. Look right here, guys. Still getting rejected off of my trend line. Spies still getting rejected off my trend line. Look, boom, trend line rejected. Trend line rejected. Trend line rejected. Look, I set up a perfect channel for y'all. There y'all go. There y'all go. I set up a perfect trend line for y'all. So you don't say I ain't do nothing for y'all. Let's see. MSTR. MS. Oh, shout out to TT Life. That's what I'm talking about. 525, baby. Man, enjoy that. Don't you put that back in there. Don't you put it back in. Don't you do it. Pause. Don't you put that back in, though. Shout out to TT Life, man. You better go enjoy that. Enjoy that, baby. And look at that. Right off of my chart setup. Look at that. 584. Boom. Perfect. Perfect trend line rejection. Bow. Moving on down. Moving on down. Shout out to y'all. So I'm talking about. Y'all better do the damn thing. That's what I'm talking about. I'm scared of y'all. I'm scared of y'all. Man, I could be more proud of this team, man. Oh, MSTO. I'm sorry. Short. Short, queen. MSTO. What you needed to know? Can you look at that? Up here. So what you need to know, boss? Like how high you going? Hustle. What you need to know, boss? I'm gonna have to check the 180. I'm gonna have to check 180. Oh, and that's another thing. For the small account challenge, y'all can't ask me nothing. Like the ones that's participating, y'all on y'all own. Y'all can't ask me nothing. Y'all can't ask me not a damn thing. Yeah, we in competitions. I can't give out no answers. Yeah, I can't give out no answers. Hustle in it. He can't ask. None of y'all can't ask me for no advice during the small account challenge. Because that's cheating. I can't help y'all beat me. No, that ain't happening. So, yeah, 245. Boss, look for a possible test up to that area. But you're still pushing up. You're still pulling up, though. Yeah, because that's highs. I mean, right now you're going into some highs, boss. You know, it don't look like it has no past chart histories. So that is new. So, I mean, my thing is, it'd have to go off of natural resistance and support. So if it breaks above that 245, the next area would be 250. You know, if you continuously move on up. So 245, you hold that key level from 245, $5, you away from 250, which is a natural strong resistance. So keep it on, just keep it on watch. Just keep it on watch. I'm still watching Tesla. I mean, I'm on that bad boy. I'm watching Tesla for that opportunity. No problem, boss. Double tweezer top on SPY. 15-minute waiting to see. Okay, gotcha, boss. Let me double check on SPY. Yep. For the small account challenge, y'all can't ask me nothing. I'm talking about all the participants. Y'all can't ask me nothing. Don't ask me to look at no charts. Y'all on your own. Y'all can't ask me to do not a thing. Because I cannot help y'all beat me. That can't happen. That's not happening. Hell to the no. Y'all ain't beat. I ain't giving y'all cheat codes. Apple still pushing up, guys, to 233. Apple still pushing up to 233. But yeah, Jenna, I'm going for a possible short on Tesla downside. But I was just waiting because I was waiting on the setups. That wouldn't have been a lot though. Let me see how many shares. 3 shares have been up. How much? Starting off, so 3 shares here and another 3 shares at 33. Pull back down. So I'm trying to read these candles. Now I'm starting to understand how to read them, even on charts. I mean, even on contracts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to see if Tesla gonna bounce back up because I wanted to go back up towards those highs. I wanted to go back up towards those areas for resistance. So that's why I'm not touching it. I want to wait for that bounce to go back up. Because now I know where resistance is at. We know where the top is at for right now, for today. So let it move back up into resistance. So that means my contract should come down once again. Oh, I wonder if it's setting up for a downtrend for my contract. So could it be setting up for a downtrend breakout? So if I can catch that, that'd be perfect. Let me still use this contract though. Let me see. Let me see if that'll work out on my contract for a possible contract, the downtrend breakout. Because if that works, I can ride that. Just keep riding on up. Just hold it until possibly. Because I gotta set for the November 1st. I gotta set for November 1st, guys, on my Tesla setup. So let it go back up. Let me check out my Yeah, guys, y'all keep me posted on SPY. I'm just still trying to watch Tesla setup right now. So yeah, give me a little minute. I'm still trying to watch the setup for Tesla. Because I got the first test around this what was this? What was the close? I mean, the open. 269.16. 269.16. Excuse me. 269.16 on that one. So I got the first area so far starting off with. So now I can kind of start to pay close attention to that rotation now since we're in this like channel. So I can pay a little bit more attention to this bad boy. So let me see if these are the bottoms. If these are the bottoms around this 262.45, then we should be trying to move back up when you rotate back up towards those tops again. So let me see if we try to push back up towards that 265.35 again. I'm pull up to it like a magnet. So let me see if can we get that push back up. Look like it's trying to. Look at my 15-minute time frame. So it looked like we found like a little channel. So right here, I gotta see what this top is around 269.16 when you got stuck at. And it's like it's rotating down here. So what I'm trying to see is, are we going to get a rotation back up, which we'll be moving right back up to the 265.35 that we talked about. Try to see, can we go back up towards these resistance, because that'll be a double top. We hit this area once again, it'll be double topping. So I'm just trying to pay close attention to the pattern. Now,
do I go short or long for round 2?
Wait, what's the play on SPY? Play the channel. I mean, how you doing? Look how I got. That's why I set this up for you guys, in case I took my eyes off on it, so y'all can focus. All I did was set up a channel for you guys. Look at this. Bounce, bounce, rejected, rejected. So I got a channel set up for you guys already. That's why. Because I told you guys I wasn't watching SPY today, so I set up a channel for y'all to watch. So I told y'all, be mindful as we do rotate back up towards this trend line, the purple trend line. What was it lining up with? 584. I said keep in mind that 584 can hold up as resistance. Why? Because in the past you hit up to 584, rejected, 584, rejected, 584, rejected. So look how it's playing out with my channel very perfectly. You rotate from the tops to the bottoms, from the bottoms to the tops. So your top purple is resistance, your bottom purple is support. So that's it.
So go short, understood. Thanks, Jay.
Yeah, as long as you stay underneath 584. Just as long as you stay underneath 584. The main thing you want to see now is, okay, whenever you hit a certain top, the goal is, if you're in on a put, let me tell you the setup. The setup is, you want to see it lose price value, right? So, okay, 584, right? You hit 584, you got rejected. You started to pull back from 584. Now you start to see a decrease in price value. So what you want to see now is, from 584 to 583.50, from 583.50 to 583, from 583 to 582.50, from 582.50 down to 582. You want to see the prices decrease in value. So that's what you want to see. You want to see like a downtrend effect. When you're losing prices, you're losing value. So again, if you got in at 84, you want to go down to 583.50. You want to go from 583.50 down to 583 itself to 582.50 and so forth. You want to see the prices decrease, not increase. So that's it. So right now, what happened? If y'all got in at 584, cause look what shout out to who jumped in earlier today. TT Life. Well, no, that wasn't TT Life, but TT Life did make profit. Who was that earlier? That was who jumped in? Loliando. I think it was Loliando. Yeah, Loliando. Got in at 584, got out at 583.50. 50-cent profit. If you got 1,000 shares, that's $500. That's 50 cents. So Look how quick you made a scalp. And on a Friday, 50 cents, boom, done. That's all, that's it. You don't have to, like I said, if you have a good amount of shares, you don't have to wait for it to make big moves. You got good amount of shares, like I said, 1,000 shares, every 10 cents is 100. So 50 cents is 500. A dollar is 1,000. So pretty much it. Same thing with 2,000 shares. Every 10 cents, 200. So forth. That's it. That's pretty much it. Play the 10 cent game. 1,000 shares every 10 cents. I'll put it like this. Okay. Let me write it out. Because I know everybody gonna be like, what the hell is he talking about? So let me write it out. Because I know a lot of people may ask me what the hell I'm talking about. Alright. I'll play the 10 cent game. Alright. I'm gonna just use this for example. So 1,000 shares, right? We're gonna do 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares, right? So every 10 cents, you're making. Every 10 cents, you are making $100. Every 10 cents. So all you do now is go up. 2,000 shares. Every 10 cents, you're making 200. That's it. That's all you do. Play the 10 cent game. Oop, my bad. So every 10 cents on 2,000 shares, you're making 200. And so forth. So every 1,000 shares off of 10 cents, 100. 2,000 shares, 2. 3,000 shares, 3. 4,000 shares, 4. 5,000 shares, 5. That's it. It's about the easiest way to think about it. Use the 10 cent game. So if you're in at 584, right, with 1,000 shares, and it dropped down to 583.50, again, off of 1,000 shares, you're making $500 because that's 50 cents. Because you gotta remember, every 10 cents off of 1,000 shares is 100, right? 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. So 100, 2, 3, 4, 500. Vice versa, it's just like if you lose. It's the same exact way, but in a negative sense. Same exact way. So let me see it go back up. So there we go, trying to push back up. Trying to push back up. All right, let me look at my 180 on Tesla. Let me see how we looking. All right. So 235. Okay, what was after that price point? 265, 35. What was after that? What was after that price? Didn't I say something after that? Let me see Tesla real quick as we do bounce back on up. Was it anything we was gonna run into before that? Where's my 180? Right here. All right, cool. Let me go back. What prices did I have? 232.44. Hold on top of that one, and you still got that 265.35 still. So 265.35, you still have that. So 265.35, and it look like we're trying to push back up to it. So it look like we're trying to push back up to that bad boy here. All right, cool. All right. Yeah, guys, if y'all would see my other side, the side I'm looking at, man, I got so many charts open, it's ridiculous because I'm trying to study Tesla. I'm watching SPY. I'm looking at everything. So okay, keep it on watch. All right. So now look at your candles. So, all right. So you see how that candle's closed was that candle's resistance, but then you came down to this one. What we got left? 13 minutes. So, okay. Put it like this. For my puts, if you want to see more downside, you want to see that candle fall back underneath that candle's close, which create a downstairs, like a downstairs effect. So that's what you want to see for puts. You want to see that candle close underneath that old candle's close because you want to see it go down, not up. Now, however, if that green candle holds still on that candle's close, 9 times out of 10 it's going to turn into support, and you're going to try to move back on up towards the 584 again. So that's it. I mean, especially on a 15-minute time frame, that's all it is. It's playing off of each close per candle. That's it. It's playing off of each close per candle. So again, see how, for example, these two red candles, for example, right here. So you see how after that one closed out, that one got rejected underneath that candle's close, and then what happened? You pulled on down. So what you want to see on that candle here is come back on down and fall underneath that candle's close so you can get a continuation pullback. But if not, if that candle holds that candle's close, that can hold up as some type of support momentarily for a possible move on up. Why? Because that means if that candle stays green and it closes that next candle, it can utilize it to create another support where you can kind of gap up again. So pay close attention on how this candle is going to close out. Either you're going to close above or you're going to close underneath that close. See, watch. Pay close attention. That's it. Pay very, very close attention. Because what's going to be the next resistance area? That close. That candle close. So, like this, guys. Let me show you. So, let me just make a little... So, watch. Let's do this real quick. So, take that candle's close, which was around 83.71, right? That red candle's close. 83.71. 71. All right. Go put it in white. 83.71. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Now, what was this candle's close? 83.46. So let's do this. Duplicate copy. 46, right? 46. Now watch. Now see? Now watch how this candle performs towards this candle's close. Now you get it? Boom. There it is. So that's it. That's about as simple as you can make it. It's about as simple as you can get, guys. About as simple as you get. Just take your time. Don't force anything.
Tarek 147 says, understood, J, thanks.
Yeah, got you. So it all depends. That candle, like I said, that candle can either help this candle or hurt it. It can hurt it by turning to resistance and you get another pullback. It can help it by turning it closer to support and you move back up. So keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Because you notice how that candle closed, hurt that candle open, and you fell. Now let's see how this candle close is going to affect this candle. Either it's going to help it for support to move it back on up, or it's going to hurt it by using that close as resistance and you come right back on down. So keep it on watch. Keep it on watch, guys. That's all you got to do. Keep it on watch. And tell me if I'm lying. And see right where that body, where the body is going to show up at once it turns red. Tell me where that body of that candle is going to, if it was the flip. Tell me where that body, that rectangle is going to form at. And then you'll be like, oh, I get it. Watch. If it flips. Now, if it holds, that's going to be support and you start to move back up. But then you still got to take out that candle's close. So that's why it's kind of tug of war match in between that close and that close. That's why it's going back and forth. But you do still see a lot of selling pressure still coming in. So right now, well, bounce back up a little bit. So just keep it on watch. You got about 9 minutes. Got about 9 minutes. 9 minutes until that candle closes out to see which way it's going to truly close. Watch. Either you're going to close underneath that close or you're going to close above that close. And watch. Just keep it on watch. We'll see how it's going to perform. We're going to see how it's going to perform. Keep it on watch. It'll let you know the next setup. Because if it closes up, it can make somewhat of an N-shaped pattern when you'll shoot right back on up towards the upside. So I'm just telling you that right now, if that candle holds, where it can start to gap up and move back up towards the upside, possibly. So this is a possible pattern you could see if it closes up. And I mean, like I said, I like to speak reality to you guys. So if this happens, do expect this, where we can see pop, drop, pop. When you can possibly see that, possibly. It all depends on how that candle's gonna close out. All depends. So let's just see. Now, if it pulls back, I mean, you'll just continuously keep pulling back like in a downtrend setup. So just keep it on watch. So right now, I'm still watching Tesla setting this little self up. Still watching Tesla set this little self up for a possible little move. So I'm just keeping it on watch, keeping it on watch. What was that other open? I mean, the other close. That's going to be around 60. Oh, 67. Yeah, 67. I forgot about that. So, still got my eyes peeled, guys. Still got my eyes peeled. If it hit 67 or 67.50, that could start a downtrend effect. I'm going to keep my eyes peeled. I'm still watching Tesla, guys. I'm still watching Tesla. Still watching Tesla's setup. Still watching that bad boy. Because I know you're trying to form something. I know you're setting up for something. I'm just being very, very patient. Trying to read it. That's why I'm looking at every chart pattern or every setup that I can possibly try to get an edge on. So I'm watching everything I can possibly read. Excuse me. Let me kind of move it up. I mean, let me. Oh my God, how many volume? Oh, this one got 5,000. Let me see. Let me try to use this one. I'm gonna go up a little bit more. I'm gonna try to use this one. I like that one. Let me put that in my little watch list box too for Tesla. Drag that bad boy over. Come on now. Did I push it? 230? Alright, cool. I got it. Let me take up all these other ones that's all dead and gone that I don't even need no more. Just focus on Tesla's contracts. I'm gonna put it in my little watch list. Oops. I deleted the wrong one. I can't put it back. Shoot. Damn it, I forgot what the number was too. So I'm just watching one at the moment. I got one contract. I'm looking at one contract on Tesla right now. So I'm still watching the setup. So look, what did the body pretty much start at? Look, watch. Keep it on watch. Watch that candle's close. See how it's gonna affect this candle. Either it's gonna push back up, or it's gonna turn into resistance when you come right back on down. One of the two. We got about 6 minutes. Got about 6 minutes left. 6 minutes left. 46. All right, cool. So watch that candle. Let's see which way it's gonna go. Just watch. See how that candle close gonna affect this candle. Either it's gonna hold it as support, move it back on up, or act as a resistance and you pull right back on down. Just keep it on watch. Just keep it on watch, guys. Just be patient. Just watch the setups. Man, where's my charge this pen to? Oh, got it. I'm about to say, good God. I found it. All right. Cool. I'm still watching my setups, guys. Still watching my setups. Trying to watch that buying pressure too. I live on Discord too. Too easy. Watch on mobile phone. I live on Discord. Man, I gotta start getting back on Discord too, Loliando, man. I know, boss. I gotta get back on top of that, man. It's like I said, I got so many things, man. It just sometimes it's hard to focus on all my social medias, and I don't do it on purpose. Like I said, Facebook, Instagram, Discord, Twitter, Twitch, YouTube, Tradecaster, Patreon. I mean, it's so I'm doing everything by myself, so I'm multitasking. So I do apologize if I don't be on Discord a lot, and I'm not doing it on purpose. It's just that I got so many multiple things to tend to. It's like, especially I gotta update everything each week. I gotta update the dates. I gotta redesign the numbers on the intros and all of that. Like I gotta do this every week. I mean, I don't get me wrong, I love it because I mean I like the design, but man, I be all over the place. Go ahead, so in case you guys need to follow me, so I'm gonna go ahead and put up my social media for later on in case y'all need me. I'll be here to help with anything y'all need help with, guys. Anything y'all need help with, I'm here to help. Small account challenge gonna soon be taking place too, so don't forget about that. Cause I'm ready. And don't be trying to cheat. Don't be trying to be like, Jay, what's the next move? I ain't telling you nothing. I ain't telling you not a damn thing. You ain't about to be trying to cheat and get over on me. Alright, look, guys, look. See, was I lying? Look at the body of the candle. Boom. See that? Give it time. The hell, I got hair in my head. But yeah, give it time, guys. Give it time. You gotta give it time, guys. Give it time. Let the market tell you. So right now it's underneath. Right now, look where my line is. Look where the body of that candle is. You gotta give it time. Don't force. Don't rush anything, man. Give it some time. It's all about being patient. The market don't care about your feelings or my feelings. It don't. We have to go with the flow. Did I take out something wrong? Hold up. Oh, that's what I did wrong? Hold up. Alright, got it set up. Alright, cool. Alright, Alright, still watching my Tesla, guys. Still watching my Tesla. Y'all keep looking at SPY, guys. Look at SPY. Look at SPY. You notice that? Look at those candles. So now I'm going to take all this out because I'm going to have you train your own eyes to see this. So now you kind of get an idea. So now, again, like I said, I'm going to go into some deep lessons coming in this week, guys, for the Traedz Talk. And we'll take more deeper dives on everything. So I might have to kind of hold back a little bit because they got the small account challenge coming out. And I can't reveal everything. So I'm going to have to kind of, y'all got to have to kind of be in a position you're going to have to think for yourselves, especially the ones that are participating. So it's up to you guys to kill it, man. It's up to you guys to kill it. I mean, like I said, I didn't throw out as much information as I can, so it's up to you guys to annihilate it. And I know you have the capability to do this because you guys are great, man. You guys are amazing traders. But small account challenge, let's go. I'm ready. Oh, I'm so ready. So again, small account challenge right here, guys. Boom. Monday, November 4th, $100 startup to the end goal of $25,000. Again, rules: all P&Ls must be presented. All stock ETFs are acceptable. Cash margin accounts is acceptable. No participants will be eliminated until. You know what I should do to make it interesting? Not 25,000. You know what I should do? What about if I put it halfway, like 15,000? Because at least they still get people to kind of get to that point, because you're only, $10,000 away from 25,000. If you hit, like I said, we crossed 15 grand, kind of start to eliminate names a little bit. I think we should do that. Like, put at least 15. At least 15 to eliminate. I might change that. So, King Kong, I'm sorry, boss. I mean, because I got to keep I literally have to keep squeezing it down. Like, every time I add more names to it. So King Kong, you in, boss. So I got you. It's like, man, that if I show you on that Photoshop, like I gotta keep resizing it. So I got you though, boss. I got you. Did you hit me up in my email? If not, I'll send you the email. Matter of fact, let me hit you up. Let me why would you don't never let me send a direct message? It don't let me send a direct message. I don't know why this thing does that. See that? I can't even send a direct message. You know what? Bump it. I'll just send it to you. Click person's name. I did. I clicked his name. See? It just goes to the username. See? I did. Look. See? See what I mean? It don't let me do it. I go to the name, look at that. Assign moderator, mute music. Like, it don't say nothing about direct message. Like, I can't send no damn direct message for some apparent reason. It's weird. When I click the three dots, well, that's because you're a moderator. You're not, I guess because the fact is you're not over the, you're not over the actual thing. So, I just see, okay. So, when y'all send me a message, I can reply to it. But it's like it won't let me do it. It's kind of freaking weird. Unless I have to go through that list, the user list, and then do it like that, which is crazy. Let me see, man. My email. I got you, boss. I'm about to hit you up right now. All right, King Kong, I got you set up, boss. Here you go. Got you all set up, boss. So like I said, guys, if y'all want me to put pictures in those slots for all the ones who are participating, man, like I said, do feel free to hit me up through email, so I can take those pictures and put them in those empty slots. So if y'all want a picture of yourselves in it, just let me know. Where did it go? Wait, where's the Wait, where's it at? Where's my folder at? I don't see it. Why did I get froze? Why does everything feel like it's frozen, like it's not moving? Why is my... Dude, why is none of my stuff moving at the bottom of my screen? Do this one for me. No! No! Ew. 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 Yeah, so guys, like I said, send me a picture through email. Engineer, Hella, Lowbar, Marlou, Jackie, Gas Pump, all you guys. Like, send me email. I can't deal with AK. Send me a picture, guys, so I can put them in the slots. Cause you gotta remember, got about a week left. Got about a week left before we get everything rocking and rolling. And there go your downtrend setup, guys. Look at that. Close, rejected. Close, rejected. Downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. There you go. That easy. Boom. Gave y'all a trick. Cheat code. Gave y'all a cheat code. You welcome. Gave y'all a cheat code. Enjoy. All right. Gonna soon have about 30 minutes, guys. You already know today, Friday. I will be getting off half a day. Again, because I don't want nobody pretty much gambling on Fridays. Because if you make good profit, I can't deal with AK right now. I can't do this. I can't deal with this. But yeah, guys. Again, I don't want y'all gambling on Fridays, man. Especially if you work so hard Monday through Thursday to build up your account, to put money into your life, to have that blessing given to you, through the grace of God. I do not want y'all to let greed overshadow your better judgment. Please don't. So again, trade at the beginning of the market between 9:30 to 11:30ish, and just chill out. If you do see a setup that you could go in for a swing trade with that hold over the weekend or whatever the case may be, but you've done your research, you've done your homework, do so. Feel free to do that if you see a setup that could be going into next week. But make sure you do the homework. Make sure you do the research. But other than that, I don't want nobody gambling on Fridays, especially if you work so hard Monday through Thursday. Don't do that. Like, please don't, man. Please don't do that. I don't want nobody gambling. Well, yeah, guys. So I got about 40 minutes. Like I said, any questions, comments, or concerns, do feel to reach out to me, man. I'm here to help y'all guys with it. AK, are you going to be going in on lunch? I can refer everybody to your channel, boss, if you're going in at 12 o'clock. Are you not doing it on Fridays, during lunchtime? Let me see. Let me check his channel. Who's on? Is AK on? Is he up? Okay, so I'll send y'all towards AK's way during 12 o'clock. So let me go ahead and get his I gotta get his YouTube channel, his YouTube URL. Alright, gotta get his URL for today set up. Let me go ahead and set all that up for him. And active, and is active today? I don't think I seen active today. I don't think I did. Oh, right here. There we go. Alright, got that. Who else do I have in mind? My boy Deck, my guy. So I got Deck on lock too. So let me go take his URL as well. I don't think I seen. I'm gonna check to see if I seen active. I don't think I seen active today though. Let me see. And paste. All right, and let me see if active is on. Active. Is he on today? Nope. Active is offline. Yep, because I didn't see no updates today. Okay, so active not on. So we do have AK-47, and we do have. All right, cool. So King Kong got the message. Got you, boss. Appreciate it. So we can dive deeper into the small account challenge. All right, cool. So active's not on today. I mean, not active. Yeah, active, but AK is. All these dang A's. Let me see. So active, I'll be seeing everybody active's way. I mean, Jesus. AK's way. These damn A's. Can't take it. So let me go ahead and set all of that up early in advance. So y'all have AK's lobby for lunch, and y'all have Deck's lobby for lunch as well. So I already got y'all hooked up on belt for these bad boys. So I got both of my partners in training. So I'm gonna send it off to YouTube and all of that too, just in case you guys need it. Oh man, I didn't know. Tariq, I'm sorry. I keep forgetting to turn my thing back on, boss. I apologize. Let me turn it back on. Hold on. I'm coming. Hold on. Let me turn it back on. That's because I turned it off because I don't like when that thing repeats what I type. I apologize, boss. I'm sorry about that. Because I hate when it repeats what I say. Alright, let me put it back on. Hold up. Alright, Tariq, I got it. I'm sorry. I do apologize. He said back butt whipping duty. Anyways, thanks for everything. You have a great weekend. Tyreek, you have a great one, man. You have a blessed one as well too, boss. I just turned it back on, the voice thing. Because I normally turn it off when I'm about to type something. Because I don't like when it repeats what I say. I hate that. It's annoying. That's why it be off. Because when I know I'm about to type something, I turn it off. I apologize. I didn't even know you was writing me. I do apologize. So right now, guys, there y'all go. Look. Close, resistance. Close, resistance. Close, resistance. So that's about the easiest way to put it. Like if you're on puts, guys, that's all you need to do. That's all you need to do, guys. If you're in on puts, just make sure that next candle that close, that once this candle close out, make sure that close on this candle is gonna be that next candle's resistance. Once that candle close out, make sure that's gonna be that next candle's resistance. Once that candle close out, make sure that's gonna be that next candle's resistance. Why? Because you're losing price value, right? Because you're going from 84 to 583.50 to 583 to 582.50 to 582, so forth. You're going on a downtrend movement. So that's what you want if you're going for puts. So always just keep in mind, as long as you're going on this stairway movement, and again, each close of those red candles are becoming the next candle's resistance and pulling back on down. You look, that's all you do. You're done. Look, green or red, done. You done got your pattern. Shout out to my puts. That easy, that fast. Enjoy your Friday. That easy, that fast. Enjoy your Friday. So that's how we rock and roll, team. That's how we rock and roll. That's it. That's about the easiest way to set yourself up. Just like I said, just be smart about it. So right now, still nothing for me yet on Tesla. I'm still waiting on the setup. So as you can see, we did get that somewhat of that little N-shape pattern or bull flag pattern, however you want to call it. Wait for the push back up because I still think we're going to go back up towards those 270 areas. So I'm just waiting to see if we're going to get that pullback. So all I'm trying, not pull back, but to push on up. But I'm going to just keep my eyes peeled to see if Tesla gets into the 270 range. Because as I stated, if you go into the 5-year chart, it looked like we got room to still go up. So if I take Tesla's ticker, let me go over here real quick and go to my 5-year chart, you can clearly see it. So right here, that Tesla look like you still have room in the tank. So that's why I'm trying to see, are we gonna get that push all the way up to this trend line, all the way up to this 271? And if we do get that 271 push, can we get a further push on up towards these areas? So I know it's gonna be an area where we're gonna hit some strong resistance. So that's why I'm still sitting on my hands and still waiting, because anything is still possible, guys. Because you gotta understand, you still got a long engulfing green candle that can lead to the next candle's gap up. So in other words, once this candle closed out at 1 o'clock and that new 1 o'clock candle comes in, like how we look on the whatchamacallit, we could be gapping up. So right now the market is still looking a little bit bullish to me still. So as far as Tesla, so let me look at the 180 chart on Tesla. So look right here, guys. Look, for example, 180 chart right here. Even the 180 is telling you that. Look right here. See that? These are 12-hour candles. So once that 1 o'clock candle closes and the new one comes in, that can still lead to another gap up. So right now it still ain't over with yet, because we didn't stay underneath that 265.35. Look what happened. We're still on top of it. So anything can happen to where this candle can close out on top of that, and you lead to a gap up on up. So that's why I'm still just waiting it on out. So right now you got 1 candle, 2 candles, 3, 4. You got about 4 candles in a row of green candles. So let it keep pushing. Just wait for the right time. Wait for the right opportunity. Because again, once that candle closes out, it can lead for the next candle to gap up. So right now, still not time yet until otherwise. Now, if we go back underneath, one of these main price points that we got rejected at before in the past, then yeah, we can see a possible turnaround. But right now, we've broken above all those main areas that we called out. We've broken above 257.40. We've broken up above 262.44. We've broken up above 265.35, that was like one of the main areas, but we're above it. So right now, that's still going to be in some ways considered support, because if that next candle comes in and pull back down to it, they can utilize that 265.35 to now bounce and push up to the next level. So right now, the market is still going up as far as Tesla's sake. So that's why I'm not chasing yet. I'm still not chasing. Still waiting on my opportunity. Sometimes it just takes time, guys. You gotta wait it out. So look, I done broke everything down to you. Look right here. All right. Trying to keep everything inside. Right here. See, this is the area we were supposed to get rejected, but we didn't. See that? We broke out. See? So we still got the area of 271 to still go. 271 to still go. See, that's where your high was at, 271. So I still think there's still a bit of room left in that tank on Tesla to still push up to that 271. So that's why I'm just being as patient as I can. Will we continue all the way throughout the market on up? It's a possibility. It's a possibility that we can still see some more upside until the market actually closes. So we still can see 271. We can see 272. We can just keep pushing on up till we hit this trend line. To 275-ish area. So it all depends. So I'm just keeping on watch. I'm not rushing. I'm not gonna try to guess these areas until the market tells me exactly where it wants to go. Oh, he said, "Dang you, Spy, what happened, boss?" Let me move it over. He said, "Dang you, Spy, what happened?" Let me go back. Hold up. We're going back. It bounced, didn't it? Oh, was it still falling? What's happening? I told you what it was doing. Come on, Coldplay. The channel set up, baby. Look. Come on, now I set it up this morning. Look at this. Run up that trend line, rejected. Purple trend line, rejected. Purple trend line that's lining up right with 584, rejected. Why do we say 584? Because of the past. You go back in the past, boom, let's go back. What are those bears came in aggressive at? 584, 584, 584, 584. So right there, we called it out. We called out the past like 3 times. 584, 584, 584. Where did you run up to? 584 and that trend line lining up together, and there go your pullback. You run up that trend line, you get rejected, pull back on down. Run up that trend line, get rejected, pull back, go back on down. I did it about as easy as I could, boss. I made it about as easy as I could. Coldplay. Not my right hand, man. It maybe said, hey, Coldplay, maybe setting for a 2-legged pullback. Now that you're underneath, what is this, 583, it may bounce on up and set itself up for a 2-legged pullback when you come down even further. Because you may come back down to these areas. You may do a big green or red move back on down when you go on up and you come right back on down. So it may be set itself up for a 2-legged pullback. Because already you got overextended. You lost the 9 EMA. Now you're down to the 20 EMA. You lose that 20 EMA. Now you got a gap fill from the 20 EMA down to the 50, which is lining perfectly with that 580.83. So if you lose that 20 EMA, you're going to be filling up that gap from that indicator down to this indicator, which will be lining up perfectly right with 580.83, which you will be setting up for a possible 2-legged pullback that way. So let's get the party started. So where we at right now? 582.70-ish. So let's start with 582. Matter of fact, let's do this. Let's just do 582. Because there's going to be too many alerts. Let's do 582 itself. So 582, we're going to get the party started on the downside. Just in case that does happen. So just in case I said, I alerted it. And I said it. So 582. Starting here. 581.50. On down. 581.50. Just in case we get a 2-legged pullback. So y'all know I said it. 582.50. 581.50. 581.50. Boom, boom, boom. All right, 581.50 down to this bad boy here. So that'd be around 581, which will put you closer to that area. So 581, guys, right in that area, 581. So boom, boom, boom. There it is. So I got 3 alerts. 3 alerts, just in case we get that 2-legged pullback, Coldplay. So, you lose that 582.50, right? You lose 582.50 on down to 582. From 582 down to 581.50. From 581.50 down to 581, which will put you close to this area here around 580.83. So, that means you'll be setting up for a possible 2-legged pullback. 2-legged pullback. Right now, still no go for me on my puts for Tesla. I'm still just letting it do its thing. Still no go for me yet. Just being patient, letting it move back on up because I still think that we got room to go up to that 270. So I'm being patient. It's all about being patient. Just letting it do what it do. Right now, we already see the transition on SPY. We already see what it's doing. So, as you can see right here, same thing with Apple. You get rejected at that 233. You pulling back on down, you're getting that nice little curl back. You're getting that transition from green to red. So you can still kind of start to see the transition. Same thing with SPY. SPY, you went green to red. You see right here, we got that transition right around what? 584. So you can see right here, and also right where I got my uptrend channel at, where did you get rejected at? The uptrend channel. So every time you hit that area, you get rejected, come on down. You hit that area, get rejected, come on down. So I called it out. Y'all can't say I didn't call it. I mean, I try to put everything out for y'all while I was still trying to watch my play. So I did my part. I did my part. I told y'all Friday was going to be a little bit more tricky. I told y'all this. As I told you. So 30 more minutes, guys, to rock and roll. Let me know what's up, what we got. 30 more minutes, guys, so I'll be on heading on out. 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes. I'm gone. Toot the horn. Let me go ahead and hit the bell. Shout out to my boy Coldplay, man, who I love to death. That's my guy. Shout out to Coldplay. So still keeping on watch, guys. Still keeping on watch. Let's see, can we hold that 20 EMA? If we lose that 20 EMA, I guarantee you, and that 582.50. 582.50. Hey, Queen. Yeah, 582.50, guys. We come on down to 582 itself. You lose 582, we'll be coming on down to 581.50, where we will start that downtrend effect. You will be starting a downtrend effect. You'll be starting the green to red area. See how you went up? Uptrend, 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 uptrend. You went on that move on up. Look like all you're doing is filling that gap right back on down. So do remember, guys, today is Friday. So we could be transitioning real quick. The faster you go up, the faster you go back down. So keep that on watch. So right now, Tesla's still holding. And that's why I haven't not jumped in yet. That's why I'm still just waiting. Being as patient, because I already know. The minute Tesla hit those highs and I'm in the area I need to be and I can hold, it's going to be a nice movement back on down. So I'm going to just wait. I'm just waiting on that right setup where I can just hold it for a week or two. So that's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing, guys. Just waiting it out. Because Tesla's still going up. I'm just going to be patient. Because that bad boy, think about it. You going in straight greens. You're going to hit some reds coming. I mean, think about it. Look right here. Look right here on my 180. I mean, it's just straight up green. You got no red candles yet. Green. Just going up. Without no pullback, without no red candles to set up yet. It's just straight green, just going straight up. So you go straight up, you could be seeing the move coming right straight back on down. So that's why I'm just waiting it on out. Being patient. Letting it do what it's doing. Let us do what it's doing right now. I don't want to say the word. Okay. Oh, it wasn't racing then. Say it's the look you was making. It looked like a little.
That.
Okay. So right now, guys, I'm just carefully still watching Tesla right now. Look, still watching Tesla after this nice move on up. We bypassed this area here. Bypassing this area here, trying to push on up, which I still think we got room to go this way. And that'll put us around the 275 to 270. Let me see. We keep going on up. Yeah, about 275-ish. About 275-ish. So I'm still keeping on watch. So right now I'm just still waiting it out, guys. Still waiting it out. That's all I'm doing, being very patient. That's all I'm doing. No rushing. Take time, man. Take time. But shout out to my puts on SPY. Shout out to y'all. Look at that. Uh-oh. Coldplay. Alert. Let's see. You lose that 28. What did I say, guys? You lose that 582.50. Don't shoot the messenger. Can't say I didn't say it. What is it? Oh, in the driver?
Yeah.
I'm gonna come see. I'm about to soon be getting off.
I'm gonna leave right
Huh?
now. I'm gonna leave.
Oh, go ahead. I mean, I'm still wrapping all this up. I'm just trying to, because my alert about to go off in about maybe 10 seconds ish. It's still sitting right at the bottom of it. It's about to trigger. It's just like right on top of about thin wick. Watch. That wick is getting thinner and thinner. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's right there, sitting on top of it. Sitting right on top of it. So I can get my puts, they shout-outs. We just got to get this crack real quick. We just got to get that crack right underneath that 582. 582 crack. 582 crack. Come on, come on. So I give my puts they love, man, before I head on out, too. But I get my puts they love. You can. Yeah, thank you, baby. Shout out to my puts. Shout out to my puts. Shout out to my puts. Coldplay, I told you. Coldplay, I told you. Shout out to my puts. Shout out to my puts, man. Coldplay, tell me you caught that one. I told y'all, green or red, baby. Green or red. Green or red, baby. Uh-oh. Next level. Uh-oh, let's see. Can it be another alert? Could it be another trigger? They don't call me Trigger Traedz for nothing. No, I'm just kidding. I should use that for my new name, Trigger Traedz. Nah, I ain't doing that. That's corny. But let's see, guys. Let's see. Keep it on watch, guys. Keep it on watch. Shout out to my team, though. Shout out to my team. Shout out to my puts. Who is still in on those puts? Who is still in on those puts from Spire? Please tell me y'all still in it. Please tell me y'all still in it. All from that rejection off of my channel, and then the area I called out was 584. Who is still in this put opportunity? Please tell me y'all still in it. I called it out to a T. I called it out to a T. Look what my channel was set up. That I set up since this morning, before we even hit all of this. I had the channels already set up in motion and told y'all, be on lookout. I said every time we hit around this trend line, upper trend line, you get rejected. Upper trend line, you get rejected. I said, as we do go up on this trend line today, I said, look what it's lining up with. I said 584. I said, could we get a little push above 584? I said, yes, we can. I said, but if we come right back down 584, do expect a pullback. Because not only your trend line, ooh, puts. Shout out to my puts. Oh my goodness. Man, shout out to y'all, man. Look at that. Beautiful transition. Beautiful rejection off of my channel. Beautiful rejection right underneath the 584. Still looking good. Beautiful transition. Green to red. Perfectly going down to my next alert. Next alert. Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to y'all for that beautiful transition. Beautiful up, beautiful down. Shout out to my man. Shout out to the team, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's what the hell I'm talking about, man. Get it. Man. Shout out to y'all, man. Off of that channel. TT Life, off of that one channel pattern. I called out. You was with me this morning. You was my witness. Coldplay, everybody. AR Traedz. What did I say? Pay close attention to my trend line channel. How long I've been having that channel sitting there? Since this morning, right? As the bell was ringing. I said, look out for that channel rejection.
I had to return to come let you know, G, that those spy short ideas worked for over 150%. My alerts went up and sold at MY 150% target, so had to return to tell you what a great idea it was from you. Thanks. Tarek 147 says, I am out now. Tarek 147 says, have a great weekend and see you all next week, sir.
Man, shout out to you, boss.
47 says, thanks, G, for all you do, sir.
Man, shout out to UT and shout out for everybody else. TT Life, all of y'all, man. Child, Tyreek, hope y'all have a blessed weekend. And hope y'all have many more blessed years to come, man. And thank y'all, man. Oh. Oh yeah, like I said, he was getting it yesterday, but after that that shaving cream situation, no. Shut up. But yeah, guys, man, shout out to my trade, shout out to my puts, man. Couldn't be more proud of this team, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Y'all are doing an amazing job right now. Couldn't be more proud. It knocked out my other alert. That bad boy just.
You didn't get it on?
No, I didn't get it. Well, I'm on Tesla. I'm still waiting on Tesla's big move. Cause Tesla, look. I'm still waiting on this one. Look. Up. Oh, I'm waiting. Yeah. Now you kidding, though. so I can hold it.
No.
So I can hold it.
I know you're
Oh,
riding it
I
out.
was just watching Tesla.
That's how you ride it out.
Mm-hmm. I'm riding it out. Exactly. Let that bad boy go on up. So it come right back on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and ride it on out. Ooh, man, I can't wait too.
I'll give you this.
Look like around that 265.35. So I'm gonna let it roll on out as high as it wants to above that key level, so it can come right back on down. I don't care if it go $20 up.
I'm gonna give you this number.
Okay.
You're mine.
So, but yeah, guys, amazing job, man. Amazing job. TT Life, Coldplay, AR for the rest of you guys who killed it. Couldn't be more proud of this team, man. Still looking good. Still looking good. I was watching, like I said, I was just waiting on my opportunity for Tesla. Because that bad boy just up. I know it's going to get to a point where that bad boy going to come right on down. So that's why I wanted to get overextended. I wanted to get overbought. I want to go as high as it can. Now that I know where that pivot point is at, now I'm just waiting on the upside to kill it on down. So that's why I wanted to go right above where I know that pivot point is at now that I see it. I see exactly where that pivot point is on Tesla. So I wanted to get overextended. That's why I'm trying to say, can it keep pushing up higher? I want to keep going. Because I want to ride that bad boy on down. I want to go as high as it can. I want to still keep going up. I want to see it hit around 270. Because that means, even if it go to 275, that'd be like, let me see, 265 to 275 is $10. 285 would be 20. So, even if we gotta go higher, let it go. Let that bad boy go, because I want to catch that. I want to murder that. I want to murder that pullback. So, and the reason why I want to murder the pullback is I want to hold it for more than one. Like I said, I got this right now. I got it set for the November 4th. November 4th. So right now, that'll give me a week out. Yeah, give me about a week out. So I'm still wanting to keep pushing because I want to hold it for that pull, nice pullback down. So what I could do, let me see something. I could do a measured move. It's kind of a little tricky because it's kind of hard to see it. Because that's why I think it still got room, a little bit more room left in that tank. Where we at right now? So we still around that 565.35. See how we keep kind of pulling back to it? Kind of still pulling back to it. So I'm still watching that setup, man. I'm just watching this. I've been sitting here watching Tesla the whole time. Just trying to understand the movements of it. Like I'm dead serious about Tesla. Y'all think I'm bullcrapping. So that's why I'm just still trying to figure this out as we go. I'm trying to nail this bad boy because I want as high as it can away from it. I don't want to start getting weak and falling because I want to keep pushing. I want to push away from that 65.35. I want to go back up towards them 270 marks. 270. At least 270s. Don't start pulling back to it already. I want to go as high as it can and then get rejected. I'm still keeping on watch, guys. I'm still keeping on watch. Because as far as my 15-minute time frame is, it's still holding above the VWAP. Tesla's, for Tesla's sake. Still holding above the VWAP. So I think it's going to probably start to slow. As long as it stay above the VWAP, we could just see like a slow trend back on up. The way that it looked like it's setting up, that it still wants to like create some type of a, it may create some type of ascending triangle squeeze right where that 269.16-ish mark is. I'm going to keep it on watch to see where it wants to truly go. That's why I'm just being patient and waiting it out. Because I just want to see it get away from that 265 level, go up higher so it can return back to it. So I want it to go up high. So at least 270, 280-ish. So I'm just kind of waiting it out. Because I know right now it's not going sideways on top of it. See that? See, I want that nice next move on up. Like that two-legged pull up. Instead of a two-legged pull back. Because it does look like it's making like an H pattern. Upside down H. It does look like it's making an upside down H where it could be setting up for that next leg up. Possibly. So we could be seeing a pop, drop, pop situation. So that's why I'm just trying to wait to see, can we get that push on up towards the upside. So that's what it looked like it wants to do. Quick dip. He said, I'm done for the day. Oh, TT Life. 737, baby. That's what I'm talking, man. Shout out to TT Life and for the rest of the squad, man. I could be more proud of this team. You guys, man, I could be more proud of this team. TT Life, well deserved, boss, man. And I wish you many more blessed profits to come. Keep killing it. Keep killing it. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Shout out to the man. Shout out to TT Life, man, who on point right now. So it could be set up for another possible two-legged pullback off of that bounce. So just be on watch, guys. Be on watch. Be on watch. Could be possibly setting itself up for a two-legged pullback. When you get that first pullback, pop back on up, then a second leg pullback. Just keep it on watch, because got to remember, right now we are underneath the 9 EMA, so that's going to hold up some type of resistance and a VWAP. And then right now we're battling right with that 20. So if you lose that 20 EMA, you got room to fall back down this way towards 580.83, which will put you with the 50 SMA down this way. So keep it on watch with it. Could be setting up, guys. I'm just letting you know for a possible two-legged pullback, possibly. Just watch the setup. That's just a possibility on what it could be doing. Where you could be seeing this, guys. You could be seeing this bad boy. You get a drop, pop, drop. So you'll be doing the total opposite of what you're seeing on Tesla. So instead of pop, drop, pop, you'll be seeing a drop, pop, drop. So you could be setting yourself up for a two-legged pullback, while this could be setting yourself up for a two-legged pull up. So I'm just keeping this on watch. Keeping this on watch. Keeping this on watch. Still watching Tesla though. Still watching it. Still watching it. Still being patient. Just waiting on that opportunity. Because I still think that Tesla could be try to squeeze up. Could I be wrong? I mean, yeah. But it just looked like that's what he wanted to set up to do. So if I go to my 15-minute time frame, it does look like that. Right about here. So it does look like it wants to set up for a possible uptrend this way. Back up towards that 269.16. If we do get that breakout, well, we could see that push up to 271. So it does look like an uptrend setting up to go back up towards that 269.16 for a possible push up to 270 to 271. That's why I'm just being patient. And then your indicators are still sitting upright. So it look like your 90 MA are just slowly moving doing this. Slowly moving doing this. So that's why I'm not jumping in just yet. I'm just being as patient as I can. It's all about patience, guys. Like I said, I mean, it's all about just waiting on the right setups. Just waiting on everything to set up in motion. It's not going to do it right when you want it to do it. So just be patient. But by being patient, you start to understand the setups within, that time frame of waiting. Just like you can understand the time frame on SPY. Just like you can somewhat understand the time frame on Tesla, the setup, So it's just all about just understanding it and studying it and not getting emotional about it and getting mad because you haven't got a trade yet. Just set yourself up for the next opportunity. That's it. I mean, that's just like here. Oh man, I missed the pullback. Oh, I missed this drop on SPY. Okay, you could be setting yourself up for a two-legged pullback coming. You get a little bounce, you could be setting yourself up for another lower drop. It's all about understanding the setups. And look where you at. Right now, you're still fighting that 20 EMA. You lose that, you're gonna get a drop. Because now that indicator's gonna turn into resistance. And then now you're gonna have a nice little gap fill, possible gap fill in between that indicator, the 20 EMA, and that indicator, the 50 SMA. So that has room to come back down this way. So always wait on opportunities. That's it. Be patient, guys. Be very, very patient. I believe in you guys. Y'all got this. Y'all got this. Y'all got this. Man, I've got to tell y'all that. How much I would have been up on that drop I called out because it missed my entry that day. I still remember that day. Because remember that was the one I showed y'all, that contract on SPY on SPX, that one that went from $40 to 20. 40 cents to 20. I had my alert. I had my entry set at 35 cents to 30 cents. Missed both of my entries. Recovered 40. Shot back up to $20. I would have made that day. Because I had it was two to three contracts. I was waiting on it. I would have made that day, guys, and I would have had my P&L presented. I had everything showing out to y'all to show y'all I wasn't bull crapping. I would have made off of which play, right? It was this. Which play was that? Where they had that monster drop that I called out off of that cup and handle pattern. Was it this one? I think it was this one, right? But I called that cup and handle pattern and it dropped. I think it was this one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we called that cup and handle pattern and it dropped. Was it? But I could have sworn it was two of them. Was it two cup and handle patterns that went one went on a major drop? I'm trying to figure out which one that I know I called for sure. Was it this one? I know it was one that went on like a mega drop, or was it this one? That kind of did this, you went up and then dropped. I know it's one of these damn setups that went on that major drop I called out on the cup and handle pattern. I know I'm not crazy. But yeah, this is how much I would have made in one day. And I would have presented my P&L. I had my entry set at 35 cents and I had my entry set at 30 cents. And it recovered at 40 cents and shot back up from 40 cents, ran all the way up to 20. So had it would have caught my 30 cents. Let's see, $20 minus, let's just say it would have caught mine. All of my shares at 30 cents. Let's just give a estimate. Alright, 19. Alright, times how many shares I was going in with that day? 3 to 4? Let me say 4 to start off with. So 4 shares, which is $400, I'd have been up. Crazy, huh? How much I would have been up in one day. And I would have presented everything. Now why you think I'm trying to wait on Tesla setup? Watch me. You think I'm BSing? That's why you think why you think I'm patiently waiting on Tesla to move up. I'm just being as patient as I can. That's why I'm giving this area to y'all. Y'all can have it. Because Tesla, I'm going to get ready to kill. Oh, I'm waiting on it. I'm waiting for the overbought. I'm waiting for everything to just get overbought. Where sellers going to start to move in aggressive. And I'm going to ride it on down. And I'm going to hold it out for like a week or 2 weeks. Well, I can wait for Tesla to get tapped out like this and just ride that bad boy on down. So right now I'm just waiting. See right here, we got a little resistance, but it haven't topped out to me just yet. So I still think it's going to push up higher. So that's why I'm waiting. I'm being very, very strategic and very calculated. So that's why I'm just being very patient and watching. So I'm watching the 5-year chart. I'm watching the 15-minute, of course. And I'm watching the 180 chart. So I'm watching everything that's going to help me out to the best of my abilities. Because I plan on holding there. So we coming right back underneath that price again? It's showing us getting weak right underneath that price again. So with that 65.35 be the actual Look like it wants to fall back underneath that key level again, guys. I mean, is it just me or do y'all see the same thing? Look right here. Look right here on my Tesla. Am I tripping or is the same exact price point that I was talking about? Watch. Come on now. I'm gonna stretch it out all the way so y'all can see everything. All right, where we at? Am I tripping? Go all the way back. Look. Here to here. See right here? That's why I keep watching this like this level to see if we're gonna get stuffed out. If we're gonna get rejected again from that area. Right about here. And we still fighting that same area right there. Same area. See, god dang it. Stupid thing. Come on now. Yeah, damn. Thank you. Yeah, right about here. 265.35. It looked like right in this little areas where you get stuffed at. You get rejected, you come on down. You get rejected, you come on down. Then you went straight up to it. So that's what I'm trying to see as we on above it. Can we run up towards this 571 level, right? Where you had these highs at. So that's why I'm watching that level and up here. Because I wanted away from that. I wanted away from that 65 level. I wanted away from it where you can rotate up, but then still come back down to it. Just kind of like here, how you left from it, and then you return back to it. See that? How you faded on off from it, and then you wind up running right back to that same price point. Same thing here. You left from it, and then you return back to it. So now that we above it, if we can hold above it, we could possibly see an upper rotation where you leave from it on the upside, and then find your way back down to it. Now, as long as we hold on top of it. Because any other time you was underneath it, you'll hit fall. Same thing, hit fall. See here, you're holding on top of it now. So now you're finally getting the candle to stay on top. What we got left? An hour left. So it all depends on how that candle's going to close out. If that candle can close out on top of it, that means now you can actually create some rotation above it and move up from it. But in due time, you'll fall back down to it. So it's all, I'm trying to see how this candle going to close out. Now, if you go back underneath it, that next candle that come in can actually act as resistance underneath that 265.34. So if that candle closes out back underneath that red line and that new one comes in at 1 o'clock, that's going to go back into acting like resistance again. Well, now that next candle is going to hit a brick wall, and 9 times out of 10, you're going to turn right back on down. So, I'm definitely keeping this on watch, and I'm watching that very, very cautiously. Very cautiously, guys. Very, very cautiously. So I'm keeping it on watch. I told you, I'm watching this like a hawk, guys. So, guys, let's go ahead. I'm about to be redheading on out, man. Hope everybody enjoyed their weekend. So let me figure out which one we're going to go to. Oh, we're going to the lobby. to the lunchroom lobby so everybody can have a good little setup. So let's head into the lobby in about 3, 2, 1. Let's rock and roll. All right, guys. We in the building, man. Shout out to everybody, man. Like I said, y'all did a job well done today. My put traders, man. I couldn't be more proud of my puts. Again, TT Life, AR Trades, Coldplay, Tariq, Hustle, all you guys, man, who did an amazing job today, man. Let me see what my sound thing is. I think I got a movement on this one because I don't know if I added it to my oh, I do got it. So shout out to y'all, man. Y'all did a job well done. Sunday, guys, I will be doing Traedz Talk. That will be marked for the 27th. So I will be doing a Traedz Talk marked for the 27th. Again, guys, if y'all ever want to do the one-on-one, guys, I will put up a link. If you ever want to do the one-on-one, where you can go through my links, and it'll show you basically on what to go through and to get the appointment for the one-on-one. But other than that, I will be doing a Traedz Talk on the 27th, which will be Sunday. If y'all need help with anything, guys, feel free to let me know. I'm here to help you guys with whatever you need help with, and we're going to keep it rocking rolling from there. I will be posting up and updating everything like I normally do towards the weekend. The earnings charts, earnings reports, because you already remember we have 5 of them coming out next week. We got Apple, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, SMCI, and Google. So we got a lot of them coming out next week, guys. So be on watch out, which will be coming out Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. And also we're going to have the PCE data. So other than that, guys, like I said, we're going to be killing it, knocking out the park. AK, I sent the link for everybody to go to your lobby, boss. But other than that, man, we're going to keep it rocking and rolling, man. But again, I couldn't be more proud of this team. And if you are enjoying the content, please do your boy a favor. Run up those likes, but especially hit the subscribe button on YouTube. Hit the follow. And like I said, let's get those viewers up on Twitch, man. Because I'm trying to be a part of the... I'm trying to be a part of the partnership program on Twitch, and I'm trying to be a part of the affiliate program on YouTube. YouTube, we just got to cross that 1,000 subscriber mark, boss. So what's up, G? About to be heading on out, boss. But yeah.
590, here we go.
590? 590? What are you talking about 590? I don't see 590. You mean 580? But,
Generous Greg says.
Oh, next week. You talking about, as we go, those earnings. Oh, okay, and that PCE data. I get you.
580.
Man, you too. Charlie Queen about to be heading on out. Like I said, I will be back in Sunday for Traedz Talk. Again, guys, if y'all do want to, y'all do need the one-on-one, I will put up the link for you to sign up for the appointment, guys. But I will be having all that rocking and rolling.
Generous Greg says, thanks for everything, sir. Have a good rest of your day.
Man, you too, boss. You have a blessed one. But yeah, guys, like I said, we're going to have a lot of info. We're going to have a lot of data coming out next week. Guys, do be on watch. Because especially we're going to have the PCE data. We're going to have about 4 earnings coming out next week. Tuesday, Wednesday. Isaac, thank you so much, boss. Y'all have a blessed one, too. And don't forget, guys, we're going to have like 4 earnings coming out next week. 4 to 5 earnings. Because, again, we're going to have Google, Microsoft, Meta, Apple, Amazon, SMCI. I think that's going to have so far. I think that's it. And NVIDIA's not going to be until November. But other than that, guys, and I think I said Meta already. But other than that, guys, be on the lookout. And we're going to get ready to rock and roll for next week. But yeah, I'm still watching my Tesla play. I'm still watching that one for that possible reversal back on down. But yeah, guys, I will be back in Sunday. And like I said, we're going to go over to Traedz Talk. But other than that, man, everybody have a blessed weekend. You already know what I'm about to say. And like I said, man, please do your boy a favor and smash the subscribe button, the follow button, whatever you can to help contribute to your boy. Because I'm trying to get... I need 75 viewers on Twitch, so I'm gonna probably need some raids. 75 viewers on Twitch because I'm trying to get up to the partnership program with Twitch, so I can get that purple badge. And I'm trying to get my stuff monetized on YouTube, which I'm gonna need 1,000 subscribers. So I just need you guys' help, man, to help me out, man. I'll be totally appreciative and just grateful. Thank you so much for everything. But other than that, guys, you already know what I'm about to say before I roll on out. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk, always put grateful over greed, and you will succeed every single time. I hope everybody have a blessed weekend. But for some of those, I will see Sunday for Traedz Talk. And for the rest of you guys, you already know what time it is. I will be seeing y'all guys Money Monday. And y'all already know what it's going to be like, man. So, hope y'all have a blessed one, man. Love y'all. Peace.